kí ọba ọ̀run káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ ti lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa wò mí ní wákàtí yìí lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa. Orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dọ̀, ogun ayé kò sì ní borí yín. Bí o ti ń lóore ọ̀fẹ́ yẹn, alẹ́ ìjẹ́ alẹ́ pé ó jẹ́ alẹ́ gbogbo ènìyàn, ó jẹ́ alẹ́ onípòjìpò, ó jẹ́ alẹ́ kò ṣeé má ní, ó jẹ́ alẹ́ kò ṣeé má wò fún gbogbo ọkàn. Sọ kí n tó máa sọ èrèdí tó ṣe rí mi lálẹ́ yìí, mo fẹ́ kó máa share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí káàkiri gbogbo ibi tó ti lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè máa wò mí. Ó máa wù mí púpọ̀ kí ẹ farabalẹ̀ lónìí láti share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn. Mo sì mọ̀ wípé yóò ṣe ọ́ láǹfààní, yóò sì ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè wa Nàìjíríà láǹfààní. Mo ń dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ará mi lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà fún mímọ̀ yìí wa àti mímọ̀ yìí Ọlọ́run nínú ayé wa. Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa, yóò dára fún yín. Prógámù ti alẹ́ yìí tàbí láàrin ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ó wà fún àwọn youth. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín, ó wà fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́. Ìpèníjà ni, but mo fẹ́ kẹ́tì máa share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí kó tó dìgbà tí màá máa sọ ìrèdí tó fi wà fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́. But mo ń dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn bàbá nínú Olúwa àti àwọn youth bíi ti tèmi both home and abroad fún text message mail tí ẹ send sí mi lánàá lórí program tí a ṣe ní ìlú Àkúrẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín, mo dẹ̀ gbé Ọlọ́run ga lórí ayé yín. Èrèdí tẹ́ ṣe rí mi nìyẹn, kò yẹ kí n wá sórí ìlà yìí lónìí, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run púpọ̀ wọ́n bá mi sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ wípé nítòótọ́ ẹ̀mí Olúwa ló gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde nínú mi láti fún àwọn ènìyàn àti láti pe àwọn ọ̀dọ́ níjà fún ìrere fún ìgbà ìkẹyìn. So mo rọ̀ ọ́ lónìí, tó bá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ gidi tí o sì fẹ́ k'Ọlọ́run kó lò ọ́ fún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tàbí fún ìdílé bàbá, fún ìdílé ìyá níbi tí a ti bí ọ, ó máa wù mí kó share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí. Ó máa wù mí at least ó rí èèyàn invite, ó yẹ kó lè invite ọ̀dọ́ 5 bíi ti tiẹ̀. Ọ̀dọ́ 5 tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, tó fẹ́ràn jù. Ó lè jẹ́ ọmọ bàbá ẹ̀, ó lè jẹ́ ọmọ ìyá ẹ̀, ó lè jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀, mọ̀ torí pé ó jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ tí o sì fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run kó lò fún ìdílé. Àwọn kan wà tá a máa lò fún ìdílé wọn, àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún àdúgbò, ìyẹn tó kọjá ìdílé. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún odidi ìlú tiwọn. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún local government wọn. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún constituency wọn. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún state wọn. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún region wọn. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Àwọn kan wà a máa lò wọ́n fún gbogbo ilẹ̀ Áfíríkà tó jẹ́ pé orúkọ wọn máa la ayé já. Àwọn kan máa wà a máa lò wọ́n fún orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáláyé tó jẹ́ pé ògo wọn gbogbo àgbáyé ni ó gbọ́ nípa rẹ̀. So mo rọ̀ ọ́ ní àṣálẹ́, bó ṣe ọ̀sán ló wà tàbí alẹ́ tàbí òru ló wà níbi tí ó wà, mo ń kí yín káàbọ̀ sí orí ẹ̀rọ káyélujára yìí. Bí ẹ sì ti ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, yóò dára fún yín. Bá mi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí, invite ènìyàn níbi gbogbo tó wà. Èmi náà dẹ̀ ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ láti invite gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ wòlíì pátápátá kí ẹ lè mọ̀ wípé mo rí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yín gbogbo láti mú ìbéèrè yín náà, láti gbìyànjú láti sapá orí ọ̀fẹ́ tó Olúwa bá fún mi. Àìgbọ́dọ̀ má ṣe ní ìrere òtítọ́ ni ó jẹ́ fún èmi, fún gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn. So ó jẹ́ àìgbọ́dọ̀ má ṣe fún mi. So mo gbọ́dọ̀ gbìyànjú kí n ṣe díẹ̀ tí Olúwa bá fi rán mi láti lè mú kó wúlò fún yín, láti lè mú kó dẹ̀ wúlò náà fún ayé tèmi náà. Nítorí pé mo mọ̀ tí àwọn ènìyàn mọ̀ wípé lákòókò yìí a gbé mi dìde fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tí ó wà fún àtúntò fún orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti fún àgbáláyé. Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa, yóò sì kúkú dára fún yín. Bá mi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí, kó dẹ̀ mọ́ kí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá rí pé ó jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ níbi tó wà, tàbí bó ó lè jẹ́ àgbàlagbà náà. Ẹ̀yin màmá bàbá tí ẹ ti kọjá éèjì ọ̀dọ́ tí ẹ lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa wò wá náà, máa share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí. Ẹ máa kí ẹnì kankan tẹ́ ẹ rí, ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀yin pé ṣé àlàáfíà náà wà ní bí ẹ̀yin náà ṣe wà lónìí. Kí ẹnìkan kó celebrate ẹnìkan, kó béèrè àlàáfíà rẹ̀. Bí o sì ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run yóò bá mi ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́. Ìtàn ayé rẹ ó dẹ̀ máa yí padà. Mo gbà ní àdúrà wípé ìwọ ló ní alẹ́ yìí. Alẹ́ yẹn dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ alẹ́ má ní gbàgbé. Ó máa jẹ́ alẹ́ tí iyì rẹ máa ṣí. Ó máa jẹ́ alẹ́ tí ògo rẹ tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé. Lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa, orí rẹ ò ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀. Gbìyànjú kó bá mi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí tọkàntọkàn. Kó invite àwọn ènìyàn. A máa gbàdúrà. Mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí mi ò ní fún ọjọ́ ń bẹ̀. Màá tún rí pé a ṣe lọ́la bákan náà. Bí bá ṣe ṣe lónìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la ṣe gbìyànjú láti ṣe ní ọ̀la ọ̀túnla pẹ̀lú oore ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run títí tí ìran yìí tó fi máa ṣẹ. Ó máa wù mí fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi pátápátá láti bá mi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń share ẹ̀ yẹn, ọ̀run àánú máa ṣí fún ọ. Share ẹ̀. Ó jẹ́ mi tí ìsàn kankan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lé lórí. Ọ̀tí bá ń sọ tó bá tó ìṣẹ́jú kan tí mo rí ẹ̀yin díẹ̀ tí mo ń retí níbẹ̀, màá gbìyànjú láti wá sọ nǹkan gan tí mo ṣe ní kó share ẹ̀. Mẹ́sẹ̀gì yín tó pọ̀ lánàá àti ìpè àwọn bàbá mi nínú Olúwa àti àwọn lára àwọn adarí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ti lo ìjọba kọjá tí wọ́n rí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí lánàá, wọ́n ní kí n lórí ọ̀fẹ́ gbogbo tí n bá ní. Even though ibi tí mò ń bá lọ sí gan, gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ, wọ́n ní kí n ṣe lórí rédíò and television. And mo gbàgbọ́ nínú Ọlọ́run wípé Ọlọ́run yóò ràn mí lọ́wọ́ láti lè ṣe débẹ̀. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò mọ̀ wípé wọ́n lè rí ọ̀dọ́ tó lè pe ọ̀dọ́ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí níjà lánàá. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé nínú èrò ọkàn ti tèmi, ọ̀dọ́ ìjọ tèmi ni mo ní kí n pè níjà, ṣùgbọ́n láì mọ̀ wípé àwọn iyì àwọn kan ṣí ní àná. So ó máa wù mí láti pé kí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Jọ̀ọ́ share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí tọkàntọkàn. Mo bẹ̀ ọ́ lórúkọ Olúwa. A máa wọlé nísìn láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 8 o'clock ni mo máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí nísìn fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin onípòjìpò tí a ó wọnú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ pátápátá láti máa gba gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn ní àmọ̀ràn. Ṣùgbọ́n jọ̀ọ́ mo rọ̀ ọ́, share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí. Bó o bá share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí rí lórí wọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀, ó máa wù mí kó share tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí. Ó máa wù mí gan, torí pé mo lè máa pe àdúrà, torí pé tí iye ènìyàn bá ṣí, àdúrà náà ò lè tètè gbà. So máa pe àdúrà, bọ̀ torí mo mọ̀ pé àwọn kan àdúrà ni wọ́n máa need ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sígbà tó ní need ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Àdúrà dáa púpọ̀. Ẹ sì mọ̀ mí náà, tẹ́ bá ń wò mí náà dáadáa, ẹ mọ̀ pé mo fẹ́ràn àdúrà. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn nǹkan kan máa ń wà tó máa ń jí ènìyàn sí àdúrà. Jọ̀ọ́ oore ọ̀fẹ́ tó bá ní gbogbo ló máa wù mí kó fi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí fún gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn láti pé kán lè rí. Mi ò fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ìwọ nìkan. Mo fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ rẹ kó rí. Mo fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ẹ kó rí. Mo fẹ́ kí àwọn olórí tó wà lórílẹ̀-èdè yìí, mo fẹ́ kí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí kó kárí. Yóò pẹ̀tẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀ ní o tí a fi pàpà náà ní o ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa jẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn. Mo dẹ̀ ń dúró because mo fẹ́ kí a rí àwọn elédè òyìnbó tí ó ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti rí prógámù yìí láti rí wò. Mo sì mọ̀ pé yóò dára fún yín. Ọ̀run àánú dẹ̀ máa ṣí fún gbogbo yín. Bọ̀ jọ̀ọ́ mo rọ̀ ọ́ lórúkọ Olúwa, bá mi share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí bó ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ mi. Aago 8 tá a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ bó ti ń lù. Bó ṣe hallelujah ló lè ké níbi tó wà. Mọ kí hallelujah sí ọba ọ̀run. Gbé Ọlọ́run ga, fi ògo ìyìn àti ọlá fún orúkọ rẹ̀. Kí hallelujah ń bẹ̀. Ó ṣògo ló lè ké. Kí ògo yẹn bó sì ṣe ń ké, wá ẹnìkan tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀, mọ bá mi kí níbi tó wà, kó sì mọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ pé ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ́ni yẹn wà. Bí wọn náà ṣe wà lónìí, rí ẹnìkan béèrè àlàáfíà rẹ̀. Ó dára púpọ̀. Bíbélì pé ó dára kí àwọn ará, olóò ti dára tó kí ará kí ó máa gbé ní ìrẹ́pọ̀. So bá mi gbìyànjú kó share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí. Gbìyànjú kí ẹnìkan, gbìyànjú invite ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ. Mo sọ fún ọ, at least o rí èèyàn inbox lórí program jẹ́ kó jẹ́ 5 lélẹ́yìí. Kó dẹ̀ rí wípé ẹni tó ní ìran, tó ní vision, ṣe é pé kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló ní vision. iye gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ ló ní ìran, ẹlòmíràn ò níran fún ayé ara ẹ̀, so dèpòdépò kó máa níran fún ẹlòmíràn, so ẹlòmíràn gbàgbọ́ pé òun ò lè dìde mọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ lè dìde. So mo rọ̀ ọ́ lónìí, mo ti bẹ̀ ọ́ lórúkọ Olúwa wípé kó gbìyànjú kó darapọ̀ mọ́ mi, kó share mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí, wá ọ̀dọ́ tó níran bíi tiẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Olúwa yóò dára fún ọ, bó sì ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ogun ayé kò ní borí ẹ̀. Mọ̀ bọ̀ interpreter mi níwọ̀nba tí ó bá ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè máa bá yín sọ, torí pé mo fẹ́ kó kárí, kí gbogbo rẹ̀ kó kárí káàkiri gbogbo ayé, kó jẹ́ pé gbogbo wa la ó lè gbọ́ nípa rẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dé. Mo kí ọba ọ̀run lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
I greet the King of Heaven once again.
Fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ ńlá tèmi àtẹ̀yìn rí gbà.
For the grace we all received.
Mo dẹ̀ ń kí gbogbo yín káàbọ̀ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí.
And I'm all greeting you welcome.
Gbogbo ibi tẹ́ ti ń wò wá.
Everywhere we are looking at us.
Lórúkọ Jésù yóò dára fún
In the
yín.
name of Jesus, it shall be well with you.
Ìdí pàtàkì tí ẹ ṣe rí mi,
The reason why you see us,
bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé
even though
lónìí a ní program tá a máa ń ṣe lọ́jọ́ Monday
today we normally have a program on every Monday
tí a pè wípé mi ò ṣe é dá dúró,
called that I cannot be stopped
tàbí pé ẹ má dá mi dúró.
or do not stop me.
So ó yẹ ká ṣe é, but fún àwọn àdúrà àti àwọn nǹkan mìíràn tí
We're supposed to do it, but because of some reasons we could not do it.
but mo wá wo àwọn mail àti àwọn comment àti àwọn inbox gbogbo tí àwọn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run
When I was
sí.
going through my email and some messages in our inbox,
Èmi náà wá gbàdúrà sí,
and I prayed on it,
mo wá rí mọ̀ wípé ní tòótọ́ àwọn ènìyàn nídìí irú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
and I discovered that this time people need this kind of word.
Mo rí pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ nílò rẹ̀ lákòókò yìí.
I discovered that youth need it.
So kí ni nǹkan tá a dẹ̀ fẹ́ wò lónìí náà?
What I will examine today
Ó ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì alágbára kan tó Olúwa lò mí fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ìjọ wa lánàá.
is a very powerful message that God has used me for our youth yesterday
Tí
in
mo
our
pè
church.
pé ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
That I called youth the power of a nation.
Ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
Youth the power of a
So
nation.
mo ń bá ẹyin tí ẹ wà between age of 12 to 50. Mo fẹ́ máa bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ láàrin ọjọ́
I will be
mẹ́ta.
talking to you that is between the age of 12 to 50
50 years.
50 years of age.
So mo fẹ́ máa bá yín sọ̀rọ̀.
I will be talking to you.
So mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí iye yín kó ṣí.
And I want you to be enlightened.
So ẹ já lọ gbàdúrà.
So let us go and pray.
Olúwa Ọlọ́run Ísírẹ́lì,
The name of God, Lord of Israel,
a gbé orúkọ rẹ̀ ga ní wákàtí yìí.
we exalt your name this hour.
Àkókò ìyìn àti ọlá fún orúkọ
We give
rẹ̀.
you glory and honor
Fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti àánú tí a rí gbà.
for the grace we receive.
Olúwa gba ọpẹ́ wa.
God accept our
A
thanks.
fẹ́ kó ṣí àwọn ènìyàn rẹ
We
níyè.
want you to enlighten your
A
people.
dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó ṣí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ̀nyí
I want
níyè.
you to enlighten the youth.
Ní ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run,
As a minister of God,
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀dọ́ tí ò ṣèránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gan ṣùgbọ́n tó ní ọkàn láti wúlò fún orílẹ̀-èdè.
both the you that are not minister of God and those one that are minister of God, that both the one that have the mind
A
to
fẹ́ kó
work for
ṣí
this
gbogbo
nation.
wa níyè pátápátá.
We want you to enlighten us all.
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Lord, let it be so.
Ògo ni fún orúkọ rẹ̀.
Glory to your name.
Gbogbo ibikíbi tó ti lè wù kó mọ̀ wò mí.
Everywhere you are looking at us from,
Olúwa ti ń bẹ tí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ wà.
as the Lord liveth and the Spirit lives,
Ọ̀run àánú àti ìgbédìde.
God, heaven of mercy and rising,
Lórúkọ Jésù yóò ṣí fún yín.
shall be opened unto you.
Lọ bí o ti lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa wò wá.
As you have the grace to be looking at
Mo
us,
bẹ̀ ọ́ lórúkọ Olúwa.
I beg you in the name of
Bá mi
God,
share message yìí.
please share this message.
Gan púpọ̀.
Share it with all your
Lórúkọ
friends.
Jésù bí o ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
As you are sharing it,
Yóò dára fún
it
yín.
shall be well with you in Jesus'
Náà
name.
ibi tá a ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀
This
lélẹ́yìí.
is where we are starting
Ó
from.
ti wà lórí wọ́ọ̀lù wa tẹ́lẹ̀.
It's on our wall before,
But mo rush ẹ̀ lánàá.
but I watched it yesterday.
So mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé àwọn èèyàn ń bá wa lọ púpọ̀ délẹ̀.
I don't think people are really following us to that
So
extent.
wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n gbìyànjú kí n sapá mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
They say I should try more
Láti jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ ìkórìn jìnnà jù bẹ́ẹ̀.
so that this message could go far.
And síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà gbogbo àwọn ìwé ìròyìn kan máa gbé láìpẹ́ yìí.
Despite the fact that all some newspaper will carry it,
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn rédíò tẹlifíṣàn kan máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí.
and some radio station and television station will carry it
So
also.
lára àwọn aláṣẹ tán jẹ́ aláṣẹ orílẹ̀-èdè tí ọkàn wọn náà gbọgbẹ́ láti pé kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ dìde.
Among the people that are in the authoritative places, offices in this nation, that they want the youth to rise up,
Tí wọ́n ń wo prógámù yìí
and
lánàá.
are looking at this program yesterday.
Bàbá yẹn ní òun lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
This man said, I don't used to go to church,
Pé but òun kàn rí kíní mẹ́sẹ̀gì online lánàá.
but I saw this message on online yesterday,
Ọkàn ń dẹ̀ lọ síbẹ̀.
and my mind goes there.
Òun wá wò pé ṣé wọ́n rí ọ̀dọ́ wòlíì tàbí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run
He said, "What does now examine that can a youth minister of God
tó lè pe àwọn ọkàn ní pé àwọn ènìyàn ní jàdí eléyìí.
that can challenge people like this,
Kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan lè mọ̀ pé àwọn náà ní ọ̀la rere.
so that some youth will know that they have a better future."
So mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́
So
ìkókó.
I'll be talking to you so much this night.
Mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá Muslim ni ẹ.
I don't want to know maybe you're a Muslim,
Mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ẹlẹ́sìn àbáláyé ni
maybe
ọ.
you're a traditional
Mi
religion.
ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ni ọ
I don't want to know
lálẹ́.
maybe you're a Christian,
But mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ bí ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
but I want to talk to you as a youth, the power of this nation.
Orílẹ̀-èdè wa ń ṣe àìsàn.
Our nation is sick.
kí ló fa àìsàn tó wà ń bẹ?
What is the reason of this sickness?
Kò sí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó níran púpọ̀.
There's no youth that have a good future.
Tàbí tí ọkàn wọn rọ̀ mọ́ láti jẹ́ agbára
That they are
fórílẹ̀-èdè.
so much emotional, how their heart is attached to this nation.
Ó wá mú orílẹ̀-èdè wa sí oko ẹrú.
He now put our nation, a slave our nation.
Ó wá mú orílẹ̀-èdè wa sínú ìnira.
He put our nation in a hardship.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́nà báyìí náà.
Let me start from this angle.
Níbi April,
About April,
a
some
máa
months
ń ṣe
ago,
àwọn programs kan lórí òkè yìí.
we normally have a program on this mountain.
Program táwa ń ṣe lórí òkè nígbà yẹn.
This program we're having there,
A wá ń pín àwọn ènìyàn sí group by group.
we normally distribute people to group by groups
Ká lè kí àwọn wòlíì Ọlọ́run sí ẹ̀ẹ́dì wọn.
so that we can use men of God, prophet to head issues
Ká
through,
máa gbàdúrà.
so that they can pray together.
Now, a wá béèrè pé ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀dà
We now ask, where are the farmers?
kò sí ẹnìkankan tó nawọ́.
None comes out.
A béèrè pé ok ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ wà ní politics dà.
We now ask, what about the politicians?
Èrò lọ bí omi.
We have so many people.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣé politician ló máa wá ṣe àgbẹ̀ fún wa ní
Is
Nàìjíríà?
it a politician that will now farm for us?
Ṣé Buhari ló máa wá mú àdá àti oko táwa roko
Is
fún
it
wa?
President Buhari that will now come to cultivate a land for us?
Àbí gómìnà Èkìtì tàbí gómìnà Ògùn tàbí
Or-
gómìnà Lagos State
Or Ekiti State Governor or Lagos State
ni ó
Governor
tún mú àdá tí ó wà roko
that
fún
will
wa?
pick up a cutlass and cultivate land
Bẹ́ẹ̀
for
nílùú
us?
òyìnbó tí gbogbo wa ń lọ sí.
And this abroad that we are all running to.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ń dá oko nílùú òyìnbó.
There are youth there that are farming.
Bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìjọba wọ́n empower wọn.
Even though the government empower them,
Wọ́n fún wọn ní owó.
they give them money,
Wọ́n ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́.
they help them.
Now, ìgbà tí ò sí ọ̀dọ́ kankan tó fẹ́ ṣerú ẹ̀.
When there's no youth that want to do it again,
Ohun tó ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo tó kù ni pé
the only thing we are left with
a
is
fẹ́ lọ sí Aso Rock.
we want to go to Aso Rock,
A fẹ́ lọ sí House of
we
Assembly.
want to go to the House of Assembly.
Gbogbo èyí ló dára.
Everything, all these things are beautiful.
Gbogbo ohun tí à ń wò yìí ló dára bẹ́ẹ̀.
They are all good like that,
Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn sí.
and I'm so happy about it.
Ó dáa tí ọ̀dọ́ náà bá lọ sí politics kò ṣeé ṣe fún wa láti jẹ́ ká mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀.
If the youth do not join the politics, that it won't give us a privilege to know what will
Àwọn
happen.
ibi tí mo ń lọ dáadáa ń bẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí.
But this is why I'm going to exactly.
Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ yẹn
Those youths,
wọ́n jẹ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè láwọn ìlú gbogbo tá à ń dé.
they are the power of nation in every nation we are going to.
Wọ́n jẹ́ àwọn ẹni bí ọkàn orílẹ̀-èdè.
They are people of the heart of a nation.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sínú Bíbélì.
Let's go to the
Ẹ jẹ́ kí
Bible.
kọ́kọ́ mú ọ̀dọ́ kan jáde.
Let me pick out a youth from the Bible.
But ọ̀dọ́ yẹn àgbàlagbà ni.
But this youth is an
Bọ̀ máa mú ọ̀dọ́ kékeré mìíràn.
But I will pick a little
So
younger.
mo fẹ́ máa bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ between age of 15
I want to be talking to you between the age of 15 years
sí 50
to 50 years
or
of age,
55
or
years.
55 years of age.
Ó dẹ̀ máa wúlò fún yín.
That will be useful for you.
Second Chronicles
Ìwé Chronicle kejì,
chapter 26
orí kẹrìndínlọ́gbọ̀n,
verse 1
orí ẹsẹ̀ kìíní.
ibi tá a máa kà nìyẹn.
That's what we are going to read.
Nígbà náà ni gbogbo ènìyàn Júdà mú Ùsáyà tí í ṣe ẹni ọdún mẹ́rìndínlógún wọ́n sì fi jẹ ọba ní ipò bàbá rẹ̀ Amsai. Tí ẹ bá wo ibi tí a kà yìí,
If you examine this place, we just read.
wọ́n mú ọmọ 16 years
They took a 16-year-old
láti
boy
fi jọba
to enthrone him
ní ipò bàbá rẹ̀.
in a position of his father.
Ọmọ 16 years.
A 16-year-old boy.
Ẹ máa wo ọmọ 16 years.
Look at a 16-year-old
Kò
boy.
tí tiẹ̀ tó lọ bẹ̀ yẹn, má ti jẹ́ lọ́nu
Before we go
Bíbélì.
into that, don't let us go into the Bible yet.
Ibi tá a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa lánàá.
Where we started discussing with our youth
Mo sì fẹ́
yesterday,
kẹ́yìn náà máa dá mi lóhùn online.
and I want you to be answering me from online.
Ní ọmọ ọdún mélòó, màá máa wo kọ́mẹ̀ntì yín o, mo sọ fún yín pé mo lè mọ̀ pé àdúrà púpọ̀
I'll
fún
be
yín.
examining your comments.
Kí a
I
wò,
want you to be
orí-
answering us.
Orí Ọbásanjọ́ láti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀
We want
nísìnyí.
to start from Obasanjo.
Orí Ọbásanjọ́ láti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀
We want to
nísìnyí.
start from Obasanjo.
Ẹyọ ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni wọ́n máa da ẹ máa da ìbéèrè àti dáhùn láti dáhùn.
How
lọ́dọ̀
old
torí
was Obasanjo when he
kẹ́ni,
started as a
ìyẹn ni màá ṣe mọ̀
president?
pé ẹ̀ ń respond pẹ̀lú mi.
I want your response.
So ọmọ ọdún mélòó
How
ni
old?
Ọbásanjọ́?
How old was
Tètè máa bá mi
Obasanjo
type
then?
ẹ̀ nígbà tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe ìjọba ológun.
When he first ruled as a president doing the soldier
So mi ò
tenure?
tí ì rí ẹnìkankan kó dá mi lóhùn
Nobody has answered
So
yet.
ṣé ìbá dá mi lóhùn túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ̀ sí pẹ̀lú mi
If
lálẹ́.
you don't answer, that means you are not with us
So
here.
ó túmọ̀ sí pé màá lè múra láti màá close chapter yẹn
Which
lálẹ́.
means I will close that chapter tonight.
So orí ìbéèrè àti dáhùn yín ló máa túbọ̀ enlighten yín lórí nǹkan tá a fẹ́
Your
ṣiṣẹ́ lórí.
response and your answer are the one that will enlighten you more on what to work
Mo
on
ń
this
retí
night.
obìnrin tó mọye age tí bàbá wa Ọbásanjọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe ìjọba ológun.
I'm expecting a woman that can tell us how old was Obasanjo when he started as a president. Then.
Number one, mo ti rí ẹnìkan báyọ̀ sọ pé 37 years.
Someone said 37 years of
tó bá
age.
jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́lòmíì kó sọ fún wa pé òótọ́ ni
If it is
37
true,
years.
let another person confirm it.
So màá lè mọ̀ wípé ní tòótọ́ ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé wa lẹ́yìn.
So that I will know truly you are with us.
So
You are
màá lè
following
mọ̀
us.
wípé ohun tá à ń sọ yìí ó ṣe pàtàkì
So that I will
ẹ
know
gbọ́.
that this what we are saying is important and you are listening to
So
it.
ẹnìkan ṣoṣo ni mo rí.
I've only seen one person so
So
far
tó ìdáwà lóhùn pé Ọbásanjọ́ pé age of 37 years ni
that
ó
has
ṣe
answered
jọ.
that as Obasanjo just started at the age of 37 years old.
So ẹnìkan sọ pé 37 or 38 years.
Someone said 37 or 38.
Ẹnìkan sọ pé 35 years.
Someone said 35 years.
Ẹnìkan sọ pé 28 years.
Another person says 28 years.
Ẹnìkan sọ pé 37 years.
Someone said 37.
Ẹnìkan tún sọ pé 35
And
years.
someone said 35.
Ok, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú kátẹ̀ sọ pé 28 to 38 years.
Let's say within 28 to 38 years that you have been mentioning.
Ká wá sọ pé bóyá láti 38 yẹn pé bóyá àmọ́ real age wọn dáadáa.
Maybe within that 28 to
But
38 you don't
ó
know
yẹ kẹ́ ẹ lè
the
mọ̀
real
nígbà
age.
tẹ́ lọ sílé ìwé
But
díẹ̀.
I know you should know it when you went to
So
your
kátẹ̀ wá sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká mú pé 37 38.
Okay, let us say he was 37 or 38
Nírú
then.
àkókò yìí ó jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ nígbà náà.
And during this period he was a youth
Ó
then.
dẹ̀ rú lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà.
And he ruled this nation.
So a máa mú èèyàn mẹ́rin ní Nàìjíríà.
So we'll pick 4 people
So
from this
bóyá
nation.
eléyà lè ran ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ tẹ̀ ń wò mí.
Maybe this one will help those you that are looking
Yóò
at me.
lè ràn yín lọ́wọ́ dáadáa.
We will help you thoroughly.
And that time
Ní àkókò yẹn,
ọdún mélòó ni Ọbásanjọ́ ṣe ìjọba?
how many years is Obasanjo rule us?
Ìṣòro ẹ tètè máa dá mi lóhùn o.
Quickly answer
Bí ẹ
us.
bá ṣe ń béèrè ìbéèrè yẹn ni kẹ́ ẹ máa dá mi lóhùn. Mi ò criticize ẹ bóyá o correct or o correct.
I'm not
But mo
criticizing
ṣàfẹ́
you now.
kẹ́
Maybe you are
kẹ́
correct or not.
put ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa.
But I want you to shed light on what we are talking
So torí bí
about.
a bá ṣe ń sọ nípa ti ara, a máa sọ nípa ti ẹ̀mí.
As we are talking spiritually, we'll be talking
Ọdún
carnally also.
mélòó ni President Ọbásanjọ́ nígbà yẹn tí wọ́n ṣe ìjọba?
How many years did President Obasanjo
Tó
rule
bá jẹ́
then?
ọdún kan wàá sọ pé ọdún kan.
If it's 1 year, you say 1
Tó
year.
bá jẹ́ ọdún méjì mi ò tí ì sọ̀rọ̀ ilé tó padà wá ṣèjọba alágbádá
I'm
o.
not talking about when he came back
Ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ 80 years
the
yẹn
show.
àti ìsọ̀tí oníjọba alágbádá
We are
wọn
not
padà
talking
wá
to
fún.
the tenor now, the one he just
À ń
concluded.
sọ ilé tó ṣe ní ìgbà ọ̀dọ́ wọn.
We are talking about the one he did when he was a youth.
Irú ilé tí a kọ́kọ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ènìyàn o.
That is the one we are talking
Sọ
about.
ọdún mélòó ni tó bá jẹ́ pé ọdún mẹ́jọ ló gbàgbọ́ ipò ṣe nígbà yẹn sọ pé yes o 8 years ni o military nígbà military ẹ̀ ni o.
If it is during military tenor,
Tó
maybe
bá
it's
sì jẹ́
8
pé
years.
ọdún kan náà ló ṣe ń gbà yẹn.
Maybe
sọ
it is
fún
1
ọdún
year.
kan. So
Tell
a
us.
lè mọ̀ tá a sọ.
So that we can know what we are
Ẹ
talking
jẹ́ ká
about.
tún wá mú ẹlòmíràn.
Now let's pick another person
Kẹ́ ẹ tún máa dá mi lóhùn ìbéèrè mi.
so that you answer my questions.
Muritala Muhammed.
Mr. Muritala Mohammed,
Òun náà ó di ipò mú lórílẹ̀‐èdè
he
Nàìjíríà.
holds a nation.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó
position.
ni Muritala
How old?
kó tó ṣe ìjọba lórílẹ̀‐èdè
How
Nàìjíríà?
old was he before he ruled in Nigeria?
Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá mọ̀ ẹ máa dá mi lóhùn ní
Those of you
kíákíá.
that knows it,
Mo
answer.
fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ tún fún mi ní ìdáhùn ìbéèrè mi yẹn.
I want you to answer my
Kì í
question.
ṣe iye ọdún mi nídìí pé bóyá o gbà tàbí o gbà mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ kàn ṣí wa níyè kí ọkàn yín kẹ́ lè mọ nǹkan tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí
I'm not asking you, I'm not
So ẹ
predicting
lè
you
mọ̀
get it or
wípé
not.
gbogbo àwọn tí mo fẹ́ dárúkọ fún yín nígbà yẹn pé wọ́n wúlò fún orílẹ̀-èdè
I
yìí.
want you to shed light on those age so that you will know that those people we are mentioning, they are very useful for us in this nation.
Ọdún
Then,
mélòó kí ni age Muritala
how old was Muritala then
nígbà tí ó ṣe ìjọba?
when he ruled?
Ẹnìkan ti ń dá wa lóhùn bóyá ó dá wa lóhùn bóyá kò sì ti dá wa lóhùn àti ìmọ̀. Ẹnìkan sọ pé 36 years old.
Someone said 36 years old.
Bóyá ti ń dá wa lóhùn bóyá ti Muritala yẹn lóyìn dá wa lóhùn
Maybe you are asking us on Obasanjo or Muritala, we don't know yet.
But a ti dórí Muritala
We
báyìí.
are Muritala now.
So ẹnìkan sọ pé 40 years.
Someone said 40
Ẹnìkan
years.
sọ pé 36 years.
Someone said 36 years.
Ẹnìkan sọ pé bóyá ìbéèrè Ọbásanjọ́ lẹ́ni yẹn tí ń dáhùn kò tí ì yé wa o. Ẹnìkan sọ
Maybe
pé
this person is
February
answering based on Obasanjo's question.
1976 to October 1st 1979 ó dàbí pé àkókò ìgbà tí Ọbásanjọ́ ṣe ìjọba lẹ́ni ẹ̀yìn dá wa lóhùn.
This person is still mentioned
Ọ̀tá
when
ti kúrò
Obasanjo
lórí
ruled.
ti Ọbásanjọ́.
We've moved away from
Àwọn
Obasanjo
lórí
now.
Muritala báyìí.
We are on Muritala now.
Ọdún mélòó kí ni éèjì Muritala Muhammed nígbà tó ṣe ìjọba?
How old was Muritala Mohammed when he ruled then?
Ó dàbí pé ẹnìkan sọ fún wa pé 38 àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ìpẹ́ nìkan sọ fún wa pé 37 years.
Someone is telling us that he's 37 years old.
Ẹnìkejì náà sọ fún wa pé 37 years old.
Someone also said 37 years.
Okay, ẹnìkan sọ pé 36 years.
Someone said 36.
Ẹnìkan tún sọ pé 36 years.
Another person says 36.
So ó túmọ̀ sí pé bóyá ká gba tẹ̀yìn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin wọlé.
Which means we shall accept those four
Okay,
conditions.
kíkà tẹ̀ wá sọ pé okay ó rule between age of 36 or 37
Let us
years.
now pick that he ruled between 36 or 37.
Tó bá correct fine bí ó sì correct fine.
If it's correct or
Ohun
not,
tí mi
fine.
fẹ́ mú jáde bẹ̀ ni wípé
What I want to pick out from there,
ìbá jẹ́ 30 ìbàjẹ́ 30
If it is 30
ìbàjẹ́ 20
or 20,
kí la lè pe irú éèjì tó wà nígbà
what can we call this age, set of age?
so a lè pè wọ́n ní ọ̀dọ́
We
nígbà
can call them youth then.
now Azikwe ńkọ́
What about Azikwe?
kí ni éèjì Azikwe
How old was him
nígbà tí ó ṣe ìjọba
when he ruled
ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
on this nation?
so torí pé àwọn ya ò gbàgbé wọn
Those people would not forget
kì í
them.
ṣe ìgbà arúgbó wọn là ń
They are not talking about their old age.
nígbà tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ṣe ìjọba
When they first ruled,
kí ni éèjì Azikwe
how old was Azikwe?
so ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá mọ̀ ẹ má tètè tún dá mi lónìí
Those of you that
kíákíá
knows it, please answer us quickly.
so mo ń fẹ́ kẹ́ là wá lóye lé lórí
I want you to shed more light
so
on it.
nígbà yẹn ní nǹkan tá a bá bá yín sọ ní alẹ́ yìí
Then is what we are going to discuss now.
nígbà yẹn ló lè ní ìtumọ̀ díẹ̀
That is when what
so
to discuss
ìgbà tá a bá
now we
wá
are
débi
meaning.
tá a ti ń pera wa níjà
When we not get to a point where we are challenging
so
ourselves,
à lè mọ̀ please
we'll be able to know.
àwọn kan dá wa lóhùn pé youth ni bóyá youth wọn àmọ́ èjì
Some
ẹ̀
people are asking that he was a youth then,
so
but they don't know his age.
wọn àmọ́ èjì
They
ẹ̀
don't know his actual
ok
age.
ẹ jẹ́ ká youth náà pé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbà pé youth náà
He was a
lóòótọ́.
youth. Let us accept he's a youth.
ok ẹ jẹ́ ká wá mú Tafawa Balewa
Now let's speak Tafawa Balewa.
ìgbà kí ni èjì Tafawa Balewa nígbà tó rule
How old was Tafawa Balewa when he ruled
ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
in this nation?
so ta ló mọ èjì ẹ̀yẹn náà
How old was he?
tí o bá mọ̀ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti sọ
If
fún
you
wa
know it, you can answer us.
ó ń dùn mí lálẹ́ ìkódà pé nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì yẹn ò fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa
It's a pity that maybe the network is not that
tí
smooth.
ò bá ṣe dáadáa
If it's not going well,
a máa tẹ̀síwájú lọ́la
we will continue
tó
tomorrow.
bá dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa
But if it smoothly
a
going,
tẹ̀síwájú nípa
we
ẹ̀
will proceed
bọ̀
also.
tí ò bá ṣe dáadáa
If it's not going well,
màá dúró torí pé mi fẹ́ waste ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lálẹ́
I will stop because I don't want to waste this message tonight.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára fún yín
It shall be well with you in
tó bá ti
Jesus'
ń
name.
padà máa join àwọn èèyàn padà
As you are coming, be joining and be sharing.
máa bá a connect àwọn èèyàn
Be
padà
connecting people with you.
máa bá wa share message yìí
Continue
padà
to share it again.
Azikwe kí ni èjì ẹ̀
How old was Azikwe
so
then?
ẹnìkan dá wa lóhùn pé 44 years
Someone said 44 years
nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe ìjọba
when he ruled.
so now tó bá jẹ́ pé 44
If it is 44 years of age,
torí ẹnìkan ṣoṣo tó ráyè dá wa lóhùn nìyẹn
that's the only one person that have answered
bóyá
us so far.
nítorí network
Maybe because the
ní
network.
àṣírí ẹ̀yẹn lòmíràn láti respond
That's not why we are not seeing so many people responding.
so but tó bá wá jẹ́ pé nítòótọ́
If truly
ni ó jẹ́ 44 years
he was 44
ẹ
years
jẹ́
of
ká mú
age,
44 years
let us speak 44 years of age.
44
then.
years is youth
A 44 years old is
now
a
ẹ
youth.
jẹ́ kí a lọ sí orí bàbá wa Awólọ́wọ̀
Now let's go to our father Awolowo.
kí ni éèjì bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀
How old was Awolowo?
nígbà tí a ti pàṣẹ rẹ̀ dá tẹlifíṣàn àkọ́kọ́ sílẹ̀ ní Áfíríkà
When through him we created, established a television station.
tàbí ní Nàìjíríà ẹ má tẹ̀ jẹ́ ká lọ fún Áfíríkà ẹ
Or
jẹ́ ká sọ pé
in
Nàìjíríà
Nigeria.
kí ni éèjì bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀
How
nígbà
old was Awolowo then?
èyí tí ẹ bá mọ ẹ sáré sọ fún wa pé éèjì báyìí ni éèjì bàbá
Those of
Awólọ́wọ̀
you that know it, please tell us.
ṣòkẹ́ ẹ lè mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá nǹkan ńlá sọdànù lọ́wọ́ àwa
So
ọ̀dọ́
that you can know that the Yoruba tribe has lost some great things in
ṣòkẹ́ ẹ
our
lè mọ̀ wípé orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ní ìdí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tí ó jẹ́ agbára fún
so
orílẹ̀-èdè
that you can know that this nation need a youth that will be the power of this
bí a
nation.
ṣe mú lánàá lélẹ́yìí
This is how we took it
ṣùgbọ́n
yesterday.
a ò tiẹ̀ gbé débi irú eléyìí tó bẹ́ẹ̀
We will
lánàá
not take it to this extent yesterday.
But torí pé àwọn ìtẹ̀ àjíṣẹ́ tí àwọn bàbá nínú Olúwa àti àwọn bàbá gan nínú ara tó jẹ́ pé inú wọn dùn sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n gbọ́
Because
fún
of the message that our father in the Lord that they are happy with this message that they are sending to us.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣùgbọ́n àwọn bàbá wa nínú Olúwa kan tilẹ̀ sọ wípé nínú ìjọ CAC pé a nídìí irú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan
Our father, some of our father, the Lord said in CAC we need this kind of
a ò mọ̀
message.
pé a lè rí ọ̀dọ́ kan ní CAC kó jí kí ìyí ẹ̀ dẹ̀ sí lórí nǹkan tí mò ń bá
They
wọn
say they
sọ
don't know that they can see a youth minister of God that will wake up and be enlightened that this kind of message is needed by all
sọ
youths.
tí ní etí rẹ ni kó dá mi lóhùn iye éèjì Awólọ́wọ̀ nígbà tó wà ní Western Region tí wọ́n cover rẹ̀ fún wa ń gbà yẹn.
Nobody has answered us yes on how old was Awolowo then
a
when
rí
he
ẹnìkan
established
tó ń dá wa lóhùn pé
it.
37 years.
Someone said he was 37
Zọlá
years
bá
of
rí
age.
ju òun yẹn nìkan náà ẹ jẹ́ ká gbà pé
If
37
he's the only
years.
person who can see, let us accept
Bọ̀
it.
tí wọn náà bá mọ̀ pé o mọ éèjì bàbá yẹn lákòókò yẹn
If you know the age then,
o lè sáré tó fi ránṣẹ́ sí
you
wa.
can quickly send it to
But
us.
ká sọ pé 37.
Let us assume 37
Okay,
years
at
of
the age
age.
of 37.
At 37 years of age,
37 ṣé kì í ṣe ọ̀dọ́ ni bàbá yìí nígbà
was he not a youth then?
Okay, now gbogbo àwọn tí mo dárúkọ yìí
Every one of the people that we mentioned,
kẹ́yìn tó stop lórí ẹ̀
before we stop from
ẹ
there,
jẹ́ ká lọ sí orí president Muhammadu Buhari tó wà lórí ìjọba lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Let's go and examine the man on the throne now, President Buhari.
Nígbà wo ìgbà tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe ìjọba ológun nígbà àkọ́kọ́.
When he first ruled in the military tenure,
Iye ọmọ ọdún wo ni wọ́n nígbà ìjọba
how
ológun?
old was he during the military tenure?
Ẹni tó bá mọ iye ọdún wọn nígbà yẹn.
Whoever that knows it,
Please ẹ sáré share fún wa kẹ́kẹ́ ká
please send
gbọ́.
the message to us and share it to us.
President Muhammadu Buhari
President Muhammadu
tí ó wà
Buhari,
níjọba lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́
that is
báyìí.
ruling now,
Ta ni ó lè sọ èjì rẹ̀ fún
who
wa?
can tell us his age?
Sọ́kọ́ ẹ̀kìn fún wa ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ kékeré lè
Just
lórí.
shed a little light on
Bóyá
it.
arúgbó ló ṣe ìjọba nígbà
Maybe he was old when he was ruling then.
So ó wù mí kẹ́ ẹ dá mi lóhùn lálẹ́ yìí.
I will like you if you can answer us
A
quickly.
rí ẹnìkan ṣoṣo.
We see someone, only
Ó
one
sọ
person,
pé 32 years.
32 years
A
of
rí
age.
ẹlòmíràn dá wa ókè ẹnìkan tó dá wa lóhùn pé Awólọ́wọ̀ pé 37.
Someone said Awolowo was 37
Ókè
then.
ẹlòmíràn tó dá wa lóhùn pé Awólọ́wọ̀ jẹ́ 36
Another
years.
person said Awolowo was
A ti tún ti
37.
bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ lẹ̀ báyìí.
We've leave Baba
A ti kù
Awolowo.
sórí President Muhammadu Buhari.
We are now on the
Kì í
president,
ṣe ilé
current
tó wà
president,
lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ìjọba àkọ́kọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ ṣe.
the one he first ruled during the military tenure.
À ń béèrè pé ta ló lè fún wa ní àmọ̀ràn bóyá between age of so age ni bàbá yìí ṣe ìjọba
We
nígbà
are
náà.
asking who can give us the actual age.
So tá a bá rí ẹni tó mọ̀ tó lè sọ fún wa
If you see someone that knows it,
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára fún
it
yín.
shall be well with you in Jesus'
Jọ tí
name.
nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì yẹn ò bá ṣe jẹ́ ká mọ̀ níbi tó
Please,
wà.
if the network is not going very
So
fine,
tó bá
let
dẹ̀
us know.
dára sọ fún wa pé ó dára.
And if the network is good, tell
So
us
a
it's good,
lè mọ̀ but mo mọ̀ wípé kò dára tó.
so that we can know. But I know it's not that good.
But bó bá ẹnu wọn bá bí tá a bá lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè ṣe mọ́ lálẹ́ yìí.
The little we can do tonight,
A á gbìyànjú láti ṣe
we
débẹ̀.
will try to do it.
So àwọn kan á rí ẹnìkan tó reply wa nísìnyí.
We see someone that has replied
Pé
us
Muhammadu Buhari
that Muhammadu
pé
Buhari,
ó jẹ́ 35 years
he was
of age
35 years of age.
nígbà yẹn.
Then,
Now ẹ jẹ́ ká wá kúrò lórí tiwọn.
now let's move away
À
from
ń bọ̀
them.
lórí ẹ̀ nísìnyí.
We are still coming back.
Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ ìjọ àpọ́sólì ti Kristi
Those of you that are Christ Apostolic Church member,
tàbí tí ẹ jẹ́ onígbàgbọ́
that you are a Christian,
tàbí tí ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ tó jẹ́ ajínrere
or you
lónìí.
are a youth that's an
Kí ẹ lè mọ̀
evangelist,
pé nípa ẹ̀mí nǹkan ẹ̀mí ń ṣe àìsàn
so that
lọ́wọ́.
you can know that spiritually some people are sick.
Ìjọ ń ṣe àìsàn
The
lọ́wọ́.
church is sick.
Kí ni éèjì wo ni bàbá àpọ́sọ̀ Babalọ́lá tó Olúwa pè wọ́n?
How old was Apostle Babalola
Ẹ
when
lè
God called
mọ̀
him?
wípé mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀dọ́ agbára
So
orílẹ̀-èdè.
that you will know that I'm talking about youth, the power of nation.
Kí ni éèjì mi tí rí ẹni dá mi lóhùn lórí ti Babalọ́lá o?
Nobody has answered us yet.
So bóyá kò sí Kristẹni ní orí pílátífọ́ọ̀mù yìí.
Maybe there's not a Christian on this
Bọ̀ tí a bá
platform,
rí Kristẹni tó wà lórí pílátífọ́ọ̀mù yìí.
or if you can see a
Tí
Christian
ó
there
gbọ́ nípa ìtàn bàbá wa àpọ́sọ̀
that knows
Babalọ́lá.
about the story of our
Mo
Apostle
fẹ́ kẹ́ fún
Babalola,
mi ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ díẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀.
please we want you to shed a
Kí
little
ni
light on it.
éèjì tí bàbá àpọ́sọ̀ Ayọ̀ Babalọ́lá tí ó ṣe tí Olúwa pè wọ́n?
How old was Apostle Babalola when God called
Tí
him?
Ọlọ́run lò wọ́n
And God
ribiribi
used him mightily
fún wa ní orílẹ̀-èdè
for
Nàìjíríà
us in this nation
tàbí ní Áfíríkà.
or in Africa. So
Àti kúrò lórí ti àwọn pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì wa o.
we've moved away from the Nigerian president.
So mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ lè mọ̀ bí iye yẹn á ṣe ṣí díẹ̀
I
lónìí.
want you to know that so that you know how you'll be enlightened
Kí a lè mọ̀
tonight.
bí a ṣe lè tẹ̀síwájú.
So that you can know how we proceed.
Tí a bá ń sọ pé nǹkan dáa tàbí ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó, ó yẹ ká máa wo ọ̀nà àbáyọ sí.
If I think something, if I was talking about maybe something is good or a little bit of the good, we should
Àwọn
look
ọ̀dọ́
for a
orílẹ̀-èdè wa
solution.
Nàìjíríà à ń sùn lónìí lójú
So
oorun.
many youth in this nation are sleeping today,
Àìsàn dẹ̀ ń ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
and the nation is sick.
À ń sùn nípa ti ẹ̀mí.
We are sleeping
À ń
spiritually.
sùn nípa ti ara.
We are sleeping carnally.
Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ti Babalọ́lá ni màmá yìí ń dá wa lóhùn lé lórí.
I don't know, maybe it's that of Apostle
What
Babalola
about
that is
34
woman
years?
is answering. He said 34 years of age.
34 yín yẹn jìnnà sí èjì tí Olúwa pé bàbá àpòsọ.
Yeah, your 34 is far, very far from when God called
Orí
Apostle
ẹnìkan tó
Babalola.
kọ 22 years.
I saw someone that wrote 22
Ẹni
years.
tó kọ 22 yẹn wà lójú ọ̀nà.
The person that wrote 22 is on the way.
Olúwa pé bàbá wa àpòsọ Babalọ́lá between age of 23 to 24.
God called our father Apostle Babalola between the age of 23 and 24 years
Ọlọ́run
of
dẹ̀
age.
lò wọ́n takuntakun
And
nígbà
God
náà.
used him mighty for him.
Ọlọ́run lò wọ́n gbogbo ayé gbọ̀rún mọ̀.
God using all the whole head knows and
Wípé
heaven knows about
Ọlọ́run
it.
lò bàbá yìí.
That God uses him.
A kì wọ́n age of 23,
He
24.
was called within the age of 23 and 24 years of
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
age.
Olúwa pé bàbá wa àpòsọ.
That was when God called him.
Ó túmọ̀ sí pé Olúwa pè wọ́n ní àkókò ọ̀dọ́
Which
wọn.
means God called him when he was a
Wọ́n
youth.
ní agbára láti rìnrìn
He
àjò.
has the power to journey.
Wọ́n ní agbára láti gun òkè.
He has the power to go to
Wọ́n
mountains.
ní agbára láti gbàwé àti
He has the
àdúrà.
power to fast and pray.
Wọ́n ní agbára láti lè rìn láwọn ìlú kan sí ìlú
He
mìíràn.
has the power to walk from city to city, from town to town.
Ẹ má gbàgbé o, mò ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lórí pé ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
Don't forget I'm talking talking about a topic that says youth, the power of nation.
ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
Youth, the power of nation.
tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀dọ́ agbára
We are
orílẹ̀-èdè.
talking about youth, the
ẹ rí
power of
gbogbo àwọn
nation.
tí mo dárúkọ wọ̀nyí.
You will see that everybody we have mentioned,
wọ́n Olúwa pè wọ́n ní àkókò tí wọ́n ní agbára
God
láti
called
ṣe.
them during the time where they have the power to do
mo sọ
something.
nǹkan kan lánàá.
I said something
ló
yesterday.
kò sí nínú àwọn bíbélì tí àwọn èèyàn wá ń túnṣe tán túkọ irú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kò fara púpọ̀ mọ́ ń bẹ̀.
Those subscriptions that some people are written and have made it, what is not
language
there.
kan jáde nínú èdè Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
A language came out from a
but
Yoruba dialect
ó
there.
túmọ̀ sí nínú English Bible English version.
What it means in English versions,
ni pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́
it means youth.
ni yóò gun kẹ̀kẹ́ ẹlẹ́ṣin
They are the ones that will ride on horses
ní ilẹ̀ Israeli.
in the land of Israel.
àwọn ọ̀dọ́
Youth,
ni yóò gun kẹ̀kẹ́
they are the
ẹlẹ́ṣin
ones that will ride on
ní
horses
ilẹ̀ Israeli.
in the land of Israel.
now kí ni ìdí tán fi sọ pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ni yóò gun kẹ̀kẹ́
Why is it that they
ẹlẹ́ṣin
say that it's the youth that will ride horses in the land of
ó
Israel?
túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ní agbára láti jagun.
It means the youth are very powerful to fight the
àwọn
battle.
ọ̀dọ́ ní agbára láti sá eré.
The youth have power to run.
àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n ní agbára láti dúró síbi tí odi ti ya.
The youth have the great power to stand where the wall has fallen.
àwọn nígbà yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ pé alágbára ni àwọn ọ̀dọ́.
During that time, they know that the youth are very powerful.
ẹrù tí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lè gbé.
The load the youth can carry,
bàbá tó ti wọ 90 tó ti wọ 100 kò lè gbé.
a man that is as old as 90 years or 100, they cannot carry
ó
it.
túmọ̀ sí wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ jẹ́ alágbára.
Which means the youth are powerful.
wọ́n ní àwọn ní ó gun kẹ̀kẹ́ ẹlẹ́ṣin
They
ní
say that the one
Ísírẹ́lì.
that will ride the horses in
pẹ̀lú
Israel
oore ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run
by the grace of God.
kì í ṣe méjì mẹ́ta mẹ́rin
It's not only 2 or 3 years.
ni mo ti lọ sí Israel.
And our father have gone to Israel.
now mo wo nǹkan kan ní Israel
I examined something in the land of Israel.
between age of 17 to 18
Láàrin ọdún méjìdínlógún,
lóbìnrin lókùnrin ní Israel
both female and male in
gbogbo
Israel,
wọn gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ogun.
they must all learn how to fight a battle.
irú eléyìí tí àwa ń pè ní youth corps àndí.
The one we call youth corps here.
but àwọn tí wọ́n á kọ́ bí wọ́n ti ń yìnbọn.
Them they will learn how to shoot a
wọ́n
gun.
á gbé ìbọn dání.
They will carry a
wọ́n
gun.
á ṣe ọlọ́dẹ fún ìlú
There will
wọn
be a security for their town
fún odidi bí ọdún kan
for almost a year
tàbí jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
or more than
so
that.
ìyẹn gẹ́gẹ́ náà fi mọ̀ pé ọmọ onílùú ni wọ́n.
That's what will make us to know that they are really from
so
that
wọ́n
city.
kọ́ wọn ní ohun ìjà ogun sílẹ̀.
They teach us how to fight. They teach them how to fight.
wọ́n kọ́ wọn ní ogun jíjà.
They were trained how to fight a battle.
wọ́n fi ọ̀la yé wọn sílẹ̀.
They make tomorrow for them to be
kí
understand
ogun má bàa borí wọn.
so that the battle will not overcome them.
now lórílẹ̀‐èdè wa Nàìjíríà lónìí
In this our nation, Nigeria,
ẹ jẹ́
today,
ká mú ọkùnrin kan sí.
let's examine a man.
ọkùnrin kan lọ sí rep tó jẹ́ speaker rep.
A man was in the House of Rep,
bóyá Bámikọ́lé àbí bó lẹ ṣe pè nígbà yẹn.
Bankole.
Bánkọ́lé nígbà yẹn. ẹ rí i pé éèjì tó ṣe ìjọba nígbà yẹn.
It's because that the hate that he ruled
ẹ
there.
rí i pé ọkùnrin ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ ńlá.
It's because that this man had a great grace.
inú gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kan dùn nígbà yẹn wípé ọkùnrin kan ti dé lára àwọn
We have
ọ̀dọ́.
so many youth there that was very happy that there was a man has come out from the
ó
youth,
tún ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti ṣe speaker.
that he had the grace to become a speaker of
nígbà yẹn
then
ó ní oore ọ̀fẹ́
he has the grace.
láti tún ṣe èrò ọkàn gbogbo ọkàn ni pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ti fẹ́ jí lórílẹ̀‐èdè
Our
Nàìjíríà.
thought there was that the youth are coming up,
bọ̀ láti gbà yẹn
but since then,
tálá tún padà gbúrò
who is it that we have
fẹ́
had
ní ọ̀dọ́.
among the youth?
so à ń gbọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Though we are hearing little,
now mo wá ń ṣe àwọn àpẹẹrẹ kan.
now I was making some example.
Ọlọ́run ti ń lo àwọn ọ̀dọ́ padà báyìí.
God is now using some
ẹ
youth
jẹ́ kí a
again.
wo ọba Ifẹ̀
Let's look at the king of Ife.
lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Now, the present
Ọ̀ọ̀ni
king
of
now,
Ife.
the present king of Ọ̀ọ̀ni Ife.
tí ẹ bá wo
If you look at
ẹ rí i
him,
pé ọ̀dọ́ ni wọ́n lákòókò
you see that he is a youth now.
ìkejì wọ́n lè rìn kiri báyìí káàkiri.
And he has the power to walk around.
ìyẹn ni pé ọ̀rọ̀ Bíbélì fẹ́ ṣẹ mọ́ lára.
Which means the Bible is coming to pass in
kí ni
his
ìdí
body.
tó fi fẹ́ ṣẹ mọ́ lára.
Why is it that the Bible is being
wọ́n
fulfilled?
jọba ní àkókò ọ̀dọ́.
Because he was enthroned at the time of the
àwọn
youth.
ọ̀dọ́ kan jọba nínú Bíbélì.
Some youth were enthroned in the
wọ́n
Bible.
mú nǹkan bọ̀ sípò.
They bring some things into place.
wọ́n rìn ní ojú ọ̀nà Bíbélì a máa kabẹ̀ nísìnyí tàbí lọ́la.
We will read it now or tomorrow
torí nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì yẹn ó dàbí pé ó ń frustrate.
because the network is like a frustrating.
so kò jẹ́ kí ẹ lè rí nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí
So
dáadáa
it
tán.
does not allow you to hear or see what I'm saying.
irú ọba yìí
This kind of king,
ó jọba ní àkókò ọ̀dọ́ wọn.
he reigned at the time of a youth.
náà bó ṣe jọ ẹ tún lọ wo ọba Oníwo náà báyìí.
Let's look at the king of Iwo.
ẹ rí i pé youth náà ni
He is a youth now.
nígbà tí wọ́n jọba.
When he became a king,
ẹ rí i pé àwọn ènìyàn wọn wọ́n ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè rìn kiri.
if you see these people, they have the grace to walk around.
nígbà ká tiẹ̀ gbọ́ pé ọba Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ ó fẹ́ ṣe àwọn youth empowerment kan nígbà
Sometimes ago we hear that the king of Ooni of Ife want to do some youth empowerment
nítorí pé ó mọ̀ wípé ọ̀dọ́ ni agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
because he knew that youth is the power of a nation.
àwọn ọ̀dọ́ máa ń fẹ́ gbìn
Youth always want to sow
ní ayé àtijọ́.
in the old time.
Ṣùgbọ́n lónìí
But today,
a ti ń lọ ní ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí.
we are going into the world now.
Ọ̀dọ́
Gradually.
ayé òde
The
òní.
youth of nowadays,
Ṣé a lè fi ọ̀la orílẹ̀-èdè ilé wọn lọ́wọ́
can
ṣá?
we put the future of this nation in their hand?
Nípa ti ẹ̀mí ṣé a lè fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́?
Spiritually, can it be placed in their
Nípa
hand?
ti ara ṣé a lè fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́?
Carnally, can we put it in their hand?
Ṣé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó jẹ́ wípé wọn ò ro ọ̀la mọ́?
The youth that they are not even thinking about the future
Èmi
again.
nìkan ni wọ́n ń rò.
They are only thinking about their present.
Bí wọ́n ṣe máa lówó lọ́jọ́ kan ṣoṣo.
How they will have money in a
Kì í
day.
ṣe pé kò dára kó
It's not that it's not good that you have money.
Mi ò takò pé kí ọ̀dọ́ kó lówó.
I'm not against it, a youth becoming rich.
Bí o jẹ́ pásítọ̀ lọ́dọ̀
If you are a pastor as a youth
tó lówó,
and you are very
inú
rich,
mi dùn sí.
I'm happy with
But
it.
owó tó níyẹn
But the money you have,
ṣé fún agbára orílẹ̀-èdè ni?
is it for the power of nation?
Ṣé inú òtítọ́ ló ti lówó
Do you
yẹn?
have the money in the truth?
Pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí pásítọ̀
As a pastor
tó jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́
that is a youth,
tí òun fẹ́ kí ìsọjí ìgbà kẹ́yìn ti parẹ́ rẹ̀
and you
jáde.
want an end time revival to come out through you,
Ṣé inú owó tó lé tó kọ́kọ́ lé nínú mínísírì?
from the money you pursue in the ministry,
Ṣé lílé tó lé owó yẹn?
your pursuing of the money,
Ṣé fún ìrere òtítọ́ ni?
is it for a true evangelism
Tàbí fún ìrere ìjákulẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó lè mú ẹ̀gàn dé bá ìrere lọ́la?
or for failure evangelism that can be failure to
So,
a nation
Bí
tomorrow?
màá ṣe fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ronú dáadáa lónìí o.
That's why I want you to think deeply.
Jésù Olúwa
Jesus Christ,
ọ̀dọ́ ni
he is a youth.
nígbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀
He was a
iṣẹ́
youth when he started the
ó
ministry.
ṣiṣẹ́ 12 years ni Jésù ti kọ́kọ́ ka Bíbélì ní
Jesus Christ read the Bible at the age of 12 years
kí ẹ
old,
lè mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ní agbára
so
púpọ̀.
that you can know that the youth are very powerful.
Jésù kọ́kọ́ ka Bíbélì at the age of 12 years.
Jesus Christ read the Bible at the age of 12 years
Now
old.
after 30 years
After 30 years of age,
Jésù bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ Olúwa
Jesus
fún
Christ started the ministry
ó
fully.
ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yìí
He did all these
kí
things
gbogbo ènìyàn lè mọ̀ wípé
so that everyone can know
ọ̀run dájú.
that heaven is sure.
Ìbéèrè mi ni pé gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ lónìí
My question is that all youth today,
ọ̀dọ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa jù lónìí báyìí.
the youth are the one that is working as a minister of God
But
mostly.
bí a ṣe jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa jù
But as we are youth that is a minister of God,
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni atrocity kún inú iṣẹ́
so also we
Olúwa.
have crime and atrocity in the work of God.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni atrocity kún inú iṣẹ́
So
Olúwa.
also we have crime and atrocity in the work of
Mo
God.
òṣèlú ni mo gbé ni mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀
I-
bọ̀ mi tí ìdórí
I
tiwọn.
started with a politician, but I'm not
Bọ̀tẹ́ jẹ́
going
kí
there
kọ́kọ́
yet.
lọ sórí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tá à ń ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa
Let
lónìí.
us talk about the youth that are ministers of God.
Church
That doesn't go to a church.
tí wọ́n bá lọ church
If they don't go to church,
wọ́n á lọ mosque.
they will go to mosque.
So now àwọn tó jẹ́ àfáà ní Nàìjíríà lónìí
Those that are far in this nation
àwọn
today,
ọ̀dọ́ ló pọ̀ jù ń bẹ̀.
we have so many of them that are youth.
Àwọn tó jẹ́ wòlíì lónìí
Those that are prophets
ní
today
Nàìjíríà
in Nigeria.
àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ló pọ̀ jù
Most of them are
báyìí.
youths.
Tẹ́ bá rí ẹni
If you see this one,
I'm a prophet.
he said, I'm a
Tẹ́
prophet.
bá rí ẹni I'm a
If you
prophet.
see this one, wòlíì
Tẹ́
ni
bá rí
mí.
ẹni I'm a prophet.
Tí wàá rí wòlíì ni mí.
Kò sí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó wà ń bẹ̀.
There's no sin in it.
But ohun tí mò ń béèrè ni wípé
But what I'm asking
àwọn
us,
tí mo dárúkọ fún ilé
those people
ẹ̀kọ́
that I mentioned,
wọ́n jẹ́ agbára
they
orílẹ̀-èdè.
are the power of the nation.
Ọ̀dọ́ jẹ́ agbára fórílẹ̀-èdè.
Youth is a power to a nation.
But agbára tó lúwa fún ọ bí ọ̀dọ́
But the power that God has given to you as a youth,
bí wòlíì
as a prophet,
ṣé kìí ṣe agbára ìtàn ló ń lò?
are you not using to deceive people?
Ṣé kìí ṣe agbára tó jẹ́ wípé ó lè mú kí ìrere kó tẹ̀síwájú títí tí Jésù fi máa dé ni?
Is it a power that to propagate the evangelism till Jesus will come back?
Ẹ̀rín pa mí níbì kan lánàá.
I laughed yesterday.
Ẹ̀rín kan pa mí lánàá.
I laughed yesterday.
Ẹ̀rín tó dẹ̀ pa mí yẹn
The reason why I laughed,
ó dùn mí gan ni.
it's that it pains me so much.
Ẹni ẹ̀ sọ pé tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀sà tí n bá ti rí yín pẹ̀lú lágbájá
Then he
ìwọ
said, whenever I see you with this person,
ó lóun ò ní lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì
then
mọ́.
I will not go to church again.
Mo ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
I said, why?
Ó ní báyìí.
He said, this and this and this.
Mo ní ẹ má rò yẹn.
I said, don't think about
Ó ní
that.
tó bá lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì
So if you don't go to church,
torí pé orí ẹnìkan lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi.
because if you see someone beside me,
Ó tó bá rí ẹnìkan lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́
if
mi.
you see someone beside me,
Ìyẹn ò túmọ̀ sí pé irúkanrúkan lèmi àti
that
ẹ̀.
doesn't mean we are both the same.
Torí tó bá mú nǹkan tí ò dáadáa ní
If he is holding on to something that is not
tí mi
good,
bá súnmọ́
and I'm not closer to
kò
him,
lè mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń mú dání yẹn ò dáa.
he won't know that what is holding is not
So
good.
tó bá filẹ̀ sínú
So
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
if you leave him in his sin,
yóò kú sínú
he will
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
die in his sin.
Kò ní mọ̀ yóò rò pé ohun tó ń ṣe yẹn náà ló dáa.
He will know. He will think that what he's doing is the
Mo ní
right thing.
sórí bó ti ń wò mí.
You see the way you are looking at
Ọlọ́run
me.
náà mánéjì mi
God
náà.
is also managing me
So tí
myself.
àwọn bàbá mi ní Olúwa tán bá rí mi pé mo ń ṣe nǹkan kan tí ò dáa.
So if my father and the Lord see that I'm doing something that is not
Tí wọ́n
right,
bá súnmọ́ mi.
if they don't come
Wọ́n
closer,
nílé challenge mi pé ọmọ tó ń ṣe ikú díẹ̀
they
káàtó.
won't be able to challenge that. It's not what you are doing is so
tó
good.
bá rí mi pẹ̀lú ẹnìkan.
So if you see me with someone,
Àbí orí mi nínú prógámù.
or you see me in a program,
Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé àjọ ń gbégbé ayé
that
kan.
doesn't mean we are living the same life.
So kó lọ sí inú ẹ̀mí.
Go spiritually
Lọ wo àwa méjèèjì sí wa.
and examine both of us.
Lọ wo òun sí mi.
Look at him
Lọ wo èmi náà sí.
and look at me
Tó
also
bá
to
jọ
him.
wò wá síra.
When you examine both of us
Tó wo ìgbé ayé ìrìn
and
àjò
you
wá
look at
síra.
our life time,
mọ̀ wípé ìkan máa yàtọ̀ sí
you
kan.
know that one will differ from
Wọ́n
one.
láì jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbọ́,
But without them
wọn ò
hearing,
ní mọ̀.
they won't
Tá a
know.
bá fi wọ́n lẹ̀,
If you leave
wọ́n
them,
á wà inú òkò ìparun
they
lọ.
will go into to destruction.
Ṣé wá ni pé káwa kó ṣe níwọ̀nba?
Our own is for us to do it.
So
The
Bíbélì ò sọ pé ká yẹra fún wọn tán.
Bible do not say we should move away from them
But tó bá rí
totally.
pé wọn ò fẹ́ change.
But if you say that they don't want to change,
But wàá ti kọ́kọ́ fi wọ́n wá jẹ́ kán realize pé ń tán ṣe yìí kù díẹ̀ káàtó.
but you must show and tell them, let them realize what they are doing is not good.
O lè má pè wọ́n lé lórí tán.
You must not call their
But
attention to
nínú
him.
nínú
fully.
àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọ́n á máa gbọ́, wọ́n á máa gbọ́, á máa dún nínú ọkàn wọn torí pé yóò dìde fún wọn lọ́jọ́ ìdájọ́.
But from your message, they will be hearing and it will be a conflict in their mind because it will rise against them in the day of judgment.
Yóò dìde sí wọn fún ara wọn
It
lọ́jọ́
will rise
ìdájọ́.
against them in the day of
Ẹ má
judgment.
bínú fún bí nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì ṣe ń ṣe lónìí.
Don't be offended with the network today.
Ṣùgbọ́n mo gbàdúrà wípé
But I pray that
yóò padà dára.
it shall be well.
Bíbélì náà sọ pé ó ní yóò padà já sí
The Bible
ẹ̀mí.
said it will come to testimony for you.
Àwọn ìgbà kan máa ń wà tí ọ̀rọ̀ máa ń wà,
There are some times that we have message,
bọ̀ tí ò ní sí àkókò.
but there won't be time.
But àwọn ìgbà kan máa wà
And there are some times,
tí àkókò máa wà
but there will be time
tí ò ní sí àyè.
and there won't be space.
So túmọ̀ sí
Chance.
pé bíi pé àyè kò sí lónìí.
Which means there is no chance
Kí
today.
ló dẹ̀ pàtí àyè òfin sí?
Why?
Òun náà ni network
That is network.
bí ó ti ń ṣe wá
The
lónìí.
way it's moving,
Ṣùgbọ́n mo gbà á
frustrating.
ládùúrà
But I
wípé
pray
díẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lórí ọ̀tún láti gbọ́
the
yìí
little you have the grace to hear
yóò so èso rere inú ayé.
shall bring out good fruit in your life.
Àwọn ènìyàn mo ní má ro àwọn yẹn pin
I
tán.
said, don't overthink them.
Mo ní kì í ṣe pé mi ò mọ̀ wá àti ṣe
It's
ènìyàn.
not that I don't know their behavior,
Ṣùgbọ́n èmi náà mo gbúdọ̀ dára dé wọn díẹ̀.
but I must rely on them a little
Kémi náà lè káwọn náà lè mọ̀ wípé Olúwa wà fún wọn.
so that they can know that God is still there for them,
Olúwa fẹ́ wọn.
that God loves them,
But ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọwọ́ wọn ni ò fẹ́.
but He hates the sin in their
Ṣé
hand.
wọ́n pé Bíbélì sọ wípé òwe Yorùbá tiẹ̀ ni?
Even it is an mandate from the
Ó
Yoruba
ní bí rọ́bà lọ lógún
that
ọdún.
when light travels,
Ó ní òtítọ́ yóò bá lọ́jọ́
for
kan.
many years the truth will catch up to
So
it within a
ẹ
day.
wá gbọ́ nǹkan kan tẹ́rù Ọlọ́run bá mi fún.
But listen to what I'm so much afraid
Bíbélì
of
kó
with
Olúwa
God.
kò fẹ́ ikú ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀.
The Bible says God don't want the death of a sinner,
Ó ní bí kò ṣe pé kó ronú pé
but
wàdà.
for him or her to repent.
So kò sí bí ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ lè ṣe lè yí padà.
But there's no way the sin can repent
Tí kò bá ṣe wípé ó gbọ́.
unless he hears.
Tí kò bá ṣe wípé ó gbọ́.
Unless he hears.
So kì í ṣe pé kó wá fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn yẹn kó fi bú wọn tán.
Not for you to be abusing them with their sin,
So but wàá jẹ́ kán realize wípé
but let them realize
àwọn jẹ́ agbára fórílẹ̀-èdè.
that they are power to a nation.
Àwọn tó burú jù nínú Bíbélì.
The one that are so bad in the Bible,
Àwọn lolúwa lò jù.
they are the one that God used mostly.
Because at the end of the day wọ́n mọ̀ pé Olúwa ni.
Because look, they know that it is God.
Saul tó di Paul.
Saul that become Paul,
Ó ń pa àwọn èèyàn ó mọ̀ ń gbógun tì
he was
rere.
persecuting the Christians.
Èèyàn ló ogun ló máa ń gbé tì rere
He
ní
always
gbogbo ìgbà.
waged wars against the gospel.
Bọ̀ ní ọjọ́ kan
But one day,
Olúwa fún ara rẹ̀ bá pàdé.
God himself met him
Ní ìkóríta tí ò ti lè sá.
at a junction that he cannot run away.
Olúwa bá pàdé níbi tó ní agbára.
He had an encounter with God in a
Ibi
very
tó wà
powerful
ti bá
place
pàdé.
where God met
Kò
him.
lè sá mọ́ Ọlọ́run
He
lọ́wọ́.
cannot run away from God.
Pé ègbé ni fún ọ láti tàpá sí ẹ̀.
Woe unto you.
Ìnira ni fún ọ láti tàpá sí ẹ̀.
Woe for you to go against.
Ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ yẹn arúgbó ọjọ́ bá pàdé.
But that day, Ancient of Days meeting,
Paul apọ́sù òun ló tún ṣiṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ àmì àti iṣẹ́ ìyanu even though ju àwọn apọ́sù gan tó rí Jésù
Apostle
sójú
Paul
korojú.
worked a miracle that even greater than those people that even work with Jesus Christ.
So
physically.
Ọlọ́run kò sí ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ò lè lò.
There's no one that God cannot use.
So ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ nínú ìrere lónìí.
Youth in the gospel the ministry
Tí ẹ
today,
bá wo ìtàn àwa ń gbọ́ rìsáàṣì nínú ìjọ apostolic
we do make research and hear news in the Christ Apostolic
kí a
Church
lè dá àwọn nǹkan kan padà sínú ìjọ yìí.
so that some things can be restored back in
Àwọn
the
bàbá
church.
wa kan ṣí mi níyè ní bí oṣù mẹ́rin kan sẹ́yìn.
I was being enlightened by some our father about some months ago.
Wọ́n ní ní ayé ìgbà bàbá àpọ́sù.
They say in the time of Apostle
Tàbí nígbà tí ìrere ń lọ òkè sí.
or when the gospel was
Níbi
escalating
1948, 1950, 1960,
about some years, 1960 ago,
1980s.
1980s.
1980s. Wọ́n ní tí wọ́n bá pè yàn pé Christian pàtàkì jùlọ tó jẹ́ ọmọ Christ Apostolic
If we are
Church.
talking about Christian, the most important one, they are the Christ Apostolic Church
Wọ́n ní
members.
tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe interview níbì kan.
They say if they want to have an interview in a company,
Wọ́n ní wọ́n á gbà wọ́n.
they will employ them.
Wọ́n ní wọ́n kà wọ́n sí olótìtọ́.
They see them as a truthful person.
Wọ́n kà wọ́n sí olótìtọ́.
They see them as a truthful
Wọ́n
person.
kà wọ́n sí ẹni bí ọkàn
They
Ọlọ́run.
see them as a someone after the heart
Tó
of
jẹ́ pé
God
ó bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run.
that fear God.
Pé wọ́n á gbà wọ́n sí ilé-iṣẹ́.
They will employ them to
Wọ́n á gbà
their
wọ́n sí banks.
They will employ them to
Wọ́n á
banks.
gbà wọ́n sí àwọn companies.
They will employ them to companies.
Pé ṣùgbọ́n lónìí
But
ó
today,
ṣe ni láàánú.
it's a pity
Pé ó yìí sì fún àwọn ènìyàn kó gba right kán gba ẹni tí ò ṣe Christian
It's easy for some company to employ those who are not Christians,
kán gbà wọ́n sí iṣẹ́ lónìí
to employ them for work
because
today,
wọ́n mọ̀ wípé wọ́n á fẹ́ ṣe ju Christian
because they know that they will perform more than Christians.
èṣù ti wọnú ìjọ lọ
The
lónìí
devil has entered into the church today.
wọ́n wá kó sínú ayé ọkàn
They
wọn
now enter the heart of the youth.
wọ́n à jẹ́ kí iyì ọ̀dọ́ kó sí mọ́ kán rí pé àwọn fún ara wọn gan ni agbára fún
The
orílẹ̀-èdè
devil did not allow them to be enlightened to discover that they are the power for the nation.
tí ẹ bá lọ wọ ẹni àwọn tí ń gbé ọmọ tí ó ń rí ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀ nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ babaláwo ṣiṣẹ́ jìbìtì ẹ rí i pé kì í ṣe àwọn arúgbó yúùtù náà ni
If you
wọ́n.
look at the ministers of God today that are burying a baby, that are doing herbalists in the church, they are not old
tàbí tó
people,
ń
they are
dùnkù àwọn
youths.
èèyàn
Or that are duping people.
ẹ rí i pé yúùtù náà ni
You
wọ́n.
discover that they are youths.
no wọ́n àdúró lórí pé agbára Ọlọ́run wà bí
They don't stand that as on the power of God as like of old.
so wọ́n gbàgbọ́ lórí pé tí wọ́n bá lo ọgbọ́n ti ara mọ́ iṣẹ́ Olúwa pé kò lè.
They don't believe that if they don't use their carnal wisdom with the work of God, they cannot succeed.
mo ń bọ̀ lórí ti ẹ̀yin ti ẹni ara o.
I'm still coming to the carnal
torí
people.
ibi tá a ń lọ lórí mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí ó máa jinlẹ̀ gan.
When we are going on this message, it will be so
Now,
deep,
ìwà wa lè mọ bó ṣe pe ara ẹ níjà bó ṣe bí Ọlọ́run pé k'Olúwa kó gbé ọ
so that
dìde.
you know how to challenge and beg God to raise you up.
pé ìwọ fẹ́ dúró síbi tó di ti ya lórí
That you want
ẹ̀.
to stand within where wall has fallen in this nation.
pé ìwọ fẹ́ dúró síbi tí odi ti ya.
You want to stand where wall has fallen.
Olúwa ń retí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wòlíì.
God is expecting prophet
mo
truth.
tún ìṣìkan bìkan láìpẹ́ yìí.
I give a sermon somewhere.
mo ní ẹgbọ́ ọ̀sà.
I said, listen,
mo ní bàbá Babájídé dà.
say, where is Baba Babajide today?
wọ́n ti sinmi nínú
He
Olúwa.
has his resting in the Lord.
aṣọ tán bọ́ sílẹ̀.
The garment he removed from
Olúwa
his.
ń retí ọ̀dọ́ tí ó gbé wọ̀.
God is waiting for you that will bring it, put it on.
bàbá wa Oyèlámì.
Our father Oyelami
mo ní wọ́n sinmi nínú Olúwa.
said he has rest in the word of God.
wọ́n sinmi nínú
He
Olúwa.
has rest in God.
àwọn kan Olúwa ń retí àwọn tí ó dúró sí ipò tí wọ́n fi ń lẹ̀.
God is expecting people that will stand in position that they must be led by
Bàbá
his
wa
fathers.
Fádàrè.
Our fathers,
wọ́n
Fadere,
sinmi nínú Olúwa.
he has rested in the Lord.
ayé gbọ́ òun wọn nígbà náà.
And the heart, the whole heart had his voice there.
afọ́jú ṣùgbọ́n tó ń pe ẹni tó ní ojú tó ń pè wọ́n rán
He
níṣẹ́.
was a blind man that was calling those people that can see, that send a message.
afọ́jú nípa ti ara ṣùgbọ́n ó lajú nínú ẹ̀mí.
Carnally he is blind, but spiritually
Olúwa lò wọ́n
he
ní
can see.
ìgbà ayé tiwọn.
God used him during his own
wọ́n jẹ́
time.
kí àwọn èèyàn mọ ọkàn Ọlọ́run.
They let people to know the mind of God.
wọ́n lé òrìṣà kúrò
They
láyé.
chase away idols from this world.
ọ̀dọ́ ayé òde òní ò lé òrìṣà kúrò
The
láyé
youth of nowadays, they are not chasing away idols again.
Christianity.
In Christians,
ohun tá ń lé kúrò láyé poverty nìkan
what they are
fẹ́ kúrò.
chasing from the world now is poverty.
àná ọ̀nà tó fẹ́ fi lé poverty kúrò láyé kì í ṣe ọ̀nà tó mọ́.
And the way they want to chase away òṣì is not a clean or
so
truthful way.
poverty yẹn kò wá ṣe pé ó wá lọ torí pé nínú ìjọ náà òṣì ló pọ̀ jù nínú
So the
ìjọ.
poverty is not that it has totally disappeared, but
People
even
love
in the
them.
church, there is poverty there.
àwọn díẹ̀ ló ní nínú church.
It's only few that have
ẹ
in the
lọ
church
sí
of
gbogbo
God.
church tó wà Nàìjíríà
Go
lónìí.
and see all the churches in Nigeria today.
30% ló jẹ́ ọlọ́rọ̀ ńbẹ̀.
It's only 30% of the church that are rich.
30% tó bá tẹ̀ tó 30%.
If it is up to
ká
30%,
dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
we should thank God.
so orúkọ àná là ń jẹ́ kiri.
So we are only bearing the name of
torí
yesterday.
pé ohun tó lè mú kí ìrere yẹn kó tẹ̀síwájú.
Because what can make propagate that gospel?
kò sí ní àòrò ọkàn nípa rẹ̀ mọ́.
We are not thinking about it today again.
ohun tá à ń rò lónìí ni wípé
What we are thinking about today,
ẹni tó gbógun wá
the person that came with a
bí a
battle,
ṣe máa gbà kúrò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
how will take from the person.
ó dára kó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
It's good you take from the person.
ó dára.
It's good.
but ṣé o rò pé kó bọ́ kúrò nínú ogun.
Do you think that so that person will be saved from the battle?
ìkejì ṣé o rò pé kó di àtúnbí.
Secondly, are you thinking about the person become born again?
ṣé o rò kó di àtúnbí.
Are you thinking about the person become born again?
ọ̀dọ́ agbára orílẹ̀-èdè.
Youth, power of the nation.
Ọlọ́run retí àwọn akíkanjú ọ̀dọ́ lájèrè.
God is expecting youth, hero youth from the
tí Ọlọ́run
ministry.
máa lò láti mọ odi tó wó nípa ti ìrere lórílẹ̀-èdè
That
Nàìjíríà
God will use to build the falling wall in the nation
àti ní Áfíríkà
and in Africa as a whole.
àti ní Áfíríkà.
In Africa as a whole.
náà tẹ́ bá wá lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó di ipò agbára mú nínú Bíbélì.
Now, if you now go and examine the youth that hold a powerful position in
ibi
the
tí mo
Bible,
kà sí yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí lesson.
where I just read for you as a lesson,
ọmọ 16 years ló
he
jọba.
was a 16 years old,
16
came a king.
years.
16 years of age.
16 years.
16 years of age.
16 years.
16 years of age.
ẹgbẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ kẹrin níbi tí a kà
Listen to
yẹn.
the
wọ́n ní ó
verse
sì
4.
ṣe èyí tí ó tọ́ ní ojú Olúwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ti gbogbo èyí tí bàbá rẹ̀ ṣe.
They said he did what was right in the presence of God.
ó ṣe èyí tí ó tọ́ níwájú Olúwa ní at the age of
At the
16.
age of 16 years, this boy did what was right in the
bàbá
sight of
bí
God.
ajínrere wòlíì
As an evangelist of the
bí
gospel,
wòlíì lókùnrin
as a
lóbìnrin.
prophet, both male and
ẹ
female.
lọ wo àwọn obìnrin lónìí wá gbọ́ I'm a lady evangelist.
Go and look at so
I'm
many
a
ladies
prophetess.
today. After I'm a lady evangelist, I'm a
It's
prophetess.
good o.
Ohun tó dára
ó
ni.
mà dára púpọ̀.
It's very, very good.
ó dára.
It's very good.
ṣùgbọ́n ṣé o ṣe èyí tí ó tọ́ lójú
But
Olúwa?
are you doing the right one in the sight of God?
ṣé o ṣe èyí tí ó wu Olúwa?
Are you doing the one that pleases God?
ẹ ronú ọkàn ara yín wò lónìí
Think
bí
within
ọ̀dọ́.
yourself as a youth.
Olúwa ń retí ọ̀dọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbára
God
orílẹ̀.
is expecting youth as a power of a nation.
ẹ tún lọ wo ẹ lọ France mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ yẹn lánàá kí ni èjì president France
In France, I was asking what is the age of the president
ẹ rí i
now.
pé ọmọ kékeré ni wọ́n
It's not that he is a youth.
ọ̀dọ́ ni wọ́n.
He is a youth.
ẹ lọ wo Obama nígbà tó ṣe president yìí.
Go and look at Obama when he was a
ẹ
president
rí i
of
pé
US.
ipò ọ̀dọ́ ló lò ó.
You would count that he reigned during youth.
àwọn pípọ̀ yìí wọ́n dẹ̀ la ipa.
And these people, they put a pure mark on the ground.
wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó ní ipa.
They have good impact
so
on
èmi
people.
náà ń rọ̀ yín lónìí bí
I'm
ọ̀dọ́.
also beseeching and applauding you.
ibi tá a máa dé tá a ti máa fẹ́ máa dúró díẹ̀ díẹ̀ rí.
This is where we'll be stopping a
Now,
little.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wá wo àwọn youth nípa ti ara.
Now let's also look at youth
a ti ń bọ̀
circularly.
lórí ẹ̀yin àwa ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run
We
tán.
are still coming back to the
ó dáa
ministers
kí
of
iye wọn
God
kó ṣí lákòókò
because
yìí.
it is good that for us to be enlightened this
àwọn
time around.
ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n kan lọ gbá research.
Some scholars went to go and make a
wọ́n
research.
rí i pé àwọn èèyàn ò lọ chọ́ọ̀chì mọ́
They
lónìí.
discovered that people are not going to church again
wọ́n wá
today.
ní ìbéèrè tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn tí wọn ò ṣe lọ church.
The question they now asking people that did not go to church
pé
is
àwọn ẹlòmíràn gbàgbọ́ pé àwọn atrocity tó wà gan nínú church fẹ́ burú gan ju ti ìta lọ.
they now believe that the crime and atrocity in the church is more even bad than the one outside.
sùn pé ó pé wọn kán kúkú dúró sílé ká má lọ church.
That is good for them not to even stay in their
So,
house
ara
when
àwọn
they go to
ìdí
church.
tí o fi gbúdọ̀ dìde lónìí nìyẹn bọ̀dá àǹtí tó jẹ́ evangelist tàbí tó jẹ́ wòlíì.
This is one of the reasons why you must rise up, brothers and sisters,
kí ẹ rí i
that
pé
is a prophet
nítorí
or
àkókò
prophetess.
yìí ni Olúwa ṣe pè é.
Because God called you at this time.
kémi náà rí i pé nítorí àkókò yìí ni Olúwa
So
ṣe
that I
pè
can see, you can say that God has called you because of this
é.
time.
ó di Jerusalem wó.
The wall of Jerusalem
bẹ́ẹ̀
fallen.
náà ni ó di ìrere ṣe ń gbó lọ
So
báyìí.
also the wall of gospel has fallen also
ó ń
now.
gbó lọ báyìí. à ń wá àwọn akíkanjú ọ̀dọ́.
We are looking at heroes, youths.
àwọn bíi Nehemiah
We are looking at Nehemiah
tí wọ́n lè mọ odi tó ń wó
that
lọ.
can build the wall that has fallen.
Nehemiah
Nehemiah,
bóyá ibẹ̀ yẹn màá ti dúró
maybe
lálẹ́
this is where I will stop
tí màá
tonight.
wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbòmíràn
Then
lọ́la.
we'll start somewhere tomorrow.
Nehemiah
Nehemiah,
ọ̀dọ́ ni.
he was a youth.
but ní ìlú àjòjì níbi tó wà
But in a strange land where he
wọ́n
was,
kó ní ẹrú lọ
he
síbẹ̀.
was enslaved to that place.
ó wá rí ará ìlú ẹ̀ kan
Then he now saw one of his
tí wọ́n tún kó
person
lẹ́rú wá
that
síbẹ̀.
was enslaved to that place.
ó wá béèrè lọ́wọ́
He
ẹ̀
now asked the person,
báwo ni Jerusalem
how is Jerusalem?
báwo ni ìlú bàbá
How is the land of our father?
ìlú Ọlọ́run
The land of God?
báwo ni ìlú bàbá mi.
How is the city of our father?
ẹni yẹn sọkún níwájú.
The person cried before
ó
him.
mà ṣe o.
Say, what a pity.
Jerusalem àti kó wọn lẹ́rú.
Jerusalem has been enslaved.
a dẹ̀ ti dá iná sun odi
And
rẹ̀.
we set the wall on fire.
a dẹ̀ ti agbó odi rẹ̀ lù.
And with the wall has been falling.
kí ni ohun tó kùnrin ṣe.
What is it that this man was doing?
ó bu sẹ́kún.
He fell in, he shed
ó
tears.
wọlé tọ ọba lọ.
He go before the
Dani
king.
Nehemiah.
Who is Nehemiah?
ìwẹ̀fà ni wọ́n pè é.
He was a security.
ìwẹ̀fà kì í ṣe security.
He's a guide to the king.
ẹ má wọrí ìwẹ̀fà tó gbé yẹn kò níyàwó
He has no, he's a scribe. He has no wife.
kò lè bí ọmọ.
He cannot give birth to a child.
ṣé nǹkan sọ pé wọ́n castrate ewúrẹ́.
For a goat to be castrated,
ẹyọ tí ò lè ṣe.
that cannot do an Enoch.
irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀
That kind of person
ni Nehemiah.
that Nehemiah is.
but Nehemiah síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé kò rò wípé kóun lè bímọ kóun lè ṣègbéyàwó.
With all this, he didn't think about that can have a child or perform a marriage.
ohun tí Nehemiah wò ti
But
ṣe
what Nehemiah think about is
ìlú Olúwa.
the land of a God.
kò wá sí ẹnìkankan ìlú tó jẹ́ pé jagunjagun ogun ò borí ẹ̀ rí.
The town that no battle has ever overcome.
ẹ mọ̀ pé aṣíwájú ni wá nílẹ̀
You don't know
Yorùbá.
that we are the leader in the land of
aṣíwájú ni wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá rí.
we are leader in the
kí
land
nìdí
of
tá a fi
Yoruba
jẹ́
land.
aṣíwájú lórílẹ̀‐èdè
Why is that we
Nàìjíríà?
are leader in
nítorí
Yoruba
pé
land?
a rí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ aṣáájú rere.
Because we saw a good youth that
mo ní mo
leads.
ṣe ń sọ fún ilé ni.
That's what I'm
ṣé ẹ bá máa rí
telling you
ẹni
today.
tó máa tàn wá ní politics mú bọ̀ nbẹ̀ yẹn lọ́la o.
I'm still coming to that place. If it's so that will deceive us.
ẹ rí i pé yóò gbé
You
fọ́tò Awólọ́wọ̀ sókè.
see that he will lift up a photo of Awolowo.
yóò gbé fọ́tò Àjàṣin
And
sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
we put a dashing photo
àwa
beside
gbé
him.
ara rẹ̀ sáàrin.
We'll now put his own in
kí
the
nìdí tó
middle.
ṣe gbé síbẹ̀.
Why is he putting
wọ́n
it
sọ
up
fún wa
there?
pé n tí àwọn bàbá yẹn ṣe.
They are telling us that what those fathers did,
òun náà làwa náà máa ṣe.
that's what they want to do.
ẹ lọ wo àwa ọ̀dọ́ náà
Go
lónìí.
and look at us youth
nínú
today
ìrere
in
lónìí.
the ministry.
fọ́tò Babalọ́lá ń bí.
Babalola photo here.
fọ́tò Babájídé.
Babajide photo be here.
fọ́tò Bàbá Àkàndé Ẹdẹ gbé
Baba Akande Ede have photos
ẹlòmíì
inside.
àwa dúró sáàrin wọn
Another person will not stand between
kì í
them.
ṣe pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní kó lo
It's not
fọ́tò
that it's a sin that you use that
ṣé
photo.
n tí àwọn yẹn tí wọ́n ṣe ṣóò ló fẹ́ lọ
But
ṣe
what those people did, is it what you want to do also?
kí nìdí tó ṣe gbé ìsọjí gan tó ṣe gbé kalẹ̀
Why did you place a revival down?
kí èrèdí wo
Why?
ṣé torí ìgbàlà ọkàn ni
Is it because of salvation?
tàbí nítorí
of
ọrọ̀
souls, or because of wealth?
kì í ṣe pé mo sọ fún ọ pé tó bá ṣe ìsọjí pé kò mọ lọ owó mẹ́wọ̀
I'm not telling you that if you host a revival that you
èmi
not
kan
have the money
béèrè
from
béèrè
there.
ní ara ìpèníjà ni o
But I'm just asking you also a question. I'm
kí ni
challenging
èrèdí
us.
gangan tó ṣe gbé ìsọjí
What
kalẹ̀
is the reason and expectation for you to host a revival?
kí ni ìdí ẹ̀ pàtàkì
What is the most important
ṣé
reason?
fún òmìnira fún àwọn ènìyàn
Is
ni
it for freedom for people?
ṣé fún ìtúsílẹ̀ ni
Is it for deliverance for people?
tàbí fún ìgbàlà ọkàn
Or for the salvation of souls?
tàbí pé kò ṣèsọjí kó mọ́ lè padà wọ ìlú yẹn mọ́
Or for you to host a revival and for you not to be able to go to that town again?
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ máa ṣèsọjí
So
nínú
many
ìlú
people will host a revival in the city.
kò ní lè padà lọ
They
bẹ̀rẹ̀
won't be able to go back there
kí ni
again.
ìdí tó fi lè padà lọ
Why is it that you cannot go there again?
nígbà tí ìyẹ̀pọ̀ lọ wọlé
If
babaláwo
not that you went to there to go and
bó bá tẹ̀
fall
lọ́wọ́
in
ilé
Adamadi's
òrìṣà
house.
gan kò túmọ̀ sí pé òní lè padà
Even though
sílẹ̀
if you like go and bulldoze and hide us, that means
tó bá wọ
you
ilé
go there
òrìṣà
again.
nípasẹ̀ ìgbàgbọ́
If you bulldoze and hide us
tí àwọn
house
èèyàn dẹ̀ rí olúwa
and people see God,
wàá rí wípé yóò dára
you see that it will be
àwọn
well.
fara wọn ló máa padà pé ọ pé máa bọ̀
They are the one that will call you by that count.
but owó lé òrìṣà nípa tiẹ̀
But you did not collapse the house of an idol
ó
spiritually.
ṣe ń bẹ̀ ó tì ọ́ lójú àti lè padà sínú ìlú
What
náà
you did then is so you are so ashamed of it that you cannot go there
tí a
again.
bá Nehemiah
Nehemiah,
ẹrú ni nílùú ibi tó
he
wà
was a slave when he was where he was.
nílùú yẹn ó ṣe dáadáa
But
mẹ́
in that land he performed very well.
ó ní oore ọ̀fẹ́
He had the grace
láti padà lọ bá ọba
to go and meet the king.
ó lọ sọkún
He went to go and weep before the king.
à ń retí Nehemiah ní
We are
Nàìjíríà
expecting a Nehemiah in this nation,
mostly nípa tiẹ̀ pé
mostly spiritually,
kí a lè dá àwọn èèyàn padà
so
sọ́dọ̀
that people can be restored back to God.
à ń retí àwọn Nehemiah ní
We
Áfíríkà
are expecting Nehemiah in Africa,
kí a lè dá àwọn èèyàn padà
so
sọ́dọ̀
that people can be restored back to God.
ẹ má bínú lórí network
Don't be offended about the network.
lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa yóò dára
In the
fún
name of Jesus, it shall be well with
mo
you.
rọ̀ yín púpọ̀ púpọ̀
I beseech you all.
ṣùgbọ́n mo ń gbìyànjú náà láti pé kẹ́ lè rí wa
But I'm trying so that you can see us.
à ń retí Nehemiah ní
We're
Áfíríkà
expecting a Nehemiah in Africa.
Nehemiah Áfíríkà
Nehemiah in Africa.
à ń retí wọn
We are expecting
tí
them.
wọ́n máa tú odi mọ́
That we build wall, falling wall.
tí wọ́n á mọ odi tó wó tí wọ́n á bá wa tú
Now
mọ́
they will rebuild the falling wall
nípa ti ẹ̀mí
spiritually.
a máa débi ìtàn Nehemiah
We'll
lọ́la
get to the story of Nehemiah
tí a
tomorrow.
máa ka ìtàn rẹ̀
That we will
dáadáa
read the story very well.
náà ohun tí mò ń gbìyànjú láti sọ fún ọ ni
What I'm
pé
trying to tell you is that
a máa stop ní 9 o'clock
we'll stop by 9 o'clock.
ibi tó bá ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa dé
Wherever we have the grace to stop,
9 o'clock
exactly 9 o'clock.
la máa stop lónìí
That's where we are going to stop
à ń
today.
retí
We
Nehemiah
are expecting Nehemiah.
gbogbo ẹ̀yin ará mi nílẹ̀ Yorùbá
All my brethren in
a
Ghana,
máa
you-
nídìí
we
Nehemiah
need a
mo
Nehemiah.
sọ fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lánàá
I told some youth
ó wà lórí
yesterday,
wọ́ọ̀lù wa
it's on
ó
our wall.
lè lọ wo lórí prayer page
You can go and watch it on our prayer page.
message ń ní àwọn ẹni ẹ̀mí tó ṣe sọ pé ká farabalẹ̀ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tọkàntọkàn kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lè dìde padà.
This message was why the spiritual father said we should speak this message, we should proclaim this message so that every youth can change.
à ń retí àwọn ẹni ẹ̀mí.
We are expecting spiritual people.
ibùdó ìbàjẹ́ ní ara ni ọ́.
Even though you are a carnal person,
bọ̀ tí ṣebí a ò lè sọ irú ẹ̀sìn bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ tán.
you cannot predict the kind of religion that
a
Awolowo
lè
have.
pe pé bóyá rìdíìmù ni.
We can't say maybe he's a
a lè
redeemer.
pe bóyá Christ bóyá CAC
We
ni.
can't say maybe he's a
a
CAC
lè pe
member.
wọ́n bóyá Anglican ni.
We can't say maybe he's an
ẹ jẹ́
Anglican.
àjẹ́ ká sọ pé wọ́n gbàgbọ́ lọ́nà kan wọ́n gbàgbọ́ lọ́nà
Let's
kan.
just say he is believed here and there,
but wọ́n ní passion
but he had this kind of passion
fún ìlú wọn
for his own town, for his own nation, as a youth,
bí ọ̀dọ́
as a youth,
alágbára.
powerful one.
bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni bàbá àpòsù
So also apostle,
wọ́n ní ìtara
he had the passion
fún ìlú
for a nation,
àti orílẹ̀-èdè wọn.
both a state and a nation.
ẹ jẹ́ ká wo gbogbo ohun tá à ń bá bí lónìí.
Let's examine what we are going through today.
now ìwọ tó wá pẹ́ ara ẹ̀ lólóṣè torí lọ́la máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ àwọn ìdíwọ́.
You that call yourself a politician, because from tomorrow we'll be talking about hindrances.
bí o ti ń lépa láti jẹ́ olóṣèlú orílẹ̀-èdè
As you
Nàìjíríà.
are pursuing to become a politician in this
mo
nation,
sọ pé
Nigeria,
mo wo àwọn bàbá tá a kọ́kọ́ dárúkọ
this father we first mentioned,
wọ́n ṣe ìjọba nígbà ọ̀dọ́.
they reigned during their youth
ó tún
tenure.
dìgbà àgbà wọn tún padà
And
wá.
then when they become old, they
ṣé
come
kò sí
again.
ọ̀dọ́ mọ́ lákòókò
Is there
yẹn.
no youth again?
ọ̀dọ́ wà
There are youth.
ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n rí i pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tó wà
But it's not that the youth that we have now
ọ̀dọ́ jẹ́tán ni
is the youth that want to consume all.
ọ̀dọ́ jẹ́tán
The youth that want to consume all.
ọ̀dọ́ tó jẹ́ pé 24 hours
The youth that within 24 hours,
for 24 hours
24 hours,
club ni
it's club.
24 hours
with 24 hours.
tẹ́tẹ́ ni
It's gambling
24 hours
for 24 hours.
ọtí líle mímu
They are drinking alcohol
24 hours
within 24 hours.
ká máa ra mọ́tò ńláńlá fóbìnrin
If you will buy great vehicles,
ká máa kówó lẹ̀
costly dropping money
ká máa kówó lẹ̀
for women,
ká máa kówó
giving
lẹ̀
money out.
àṣọ irú àwọn tá máa gbé ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè
Is it
fún
the kind of people that will give the nation
Rárá o.
offices? No.
kì í ṣe ọ̀dọ́ tó yẹ pé yóò máa ṣọ́ irú mọ́tò tó máa jáde 2018 model
It's not the youth that will be monitoring the motor that will come out the 2017
at
model
the age of 18 years
at the age of 18 years old.
pé irú mọ́tò tí mo fẹ́ lò rí
This kind of car, this is the kind of car I want to use now.
ẹ rí ọmọ 18 years
You will see an 18 years old
kò
boy.
ní ìran tó ní ìran rẹ̀ kúrú
The kind of vision he had is very short.
kò tí ì ní jáde yunifásitì
He's not yet out of
a máa
university.
sọ pé after tó máa pé 20 years
Then when he is 20
òun
years
ti
old,
gbúdọ̀ kọ́ ilé mansion
he must have built a
mi
mansion.
ò sọ fún ọ pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀
I'm not saying it's a sin,
bọ̀ kí n tẹ́mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
but what
wípé
I'm saying there
àwọn
is,
bàbá yìí kọ́kọ́ lé wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ka ìwé
these are our father, they were educated
èkejì wọ́n plan ayé ara
and they
wọn
have planned for their life.
kí wọ́n ṣe plan fún ayé ara wọn yẹn
They
nìkan
didn't plan for their life
wọ́n
alone.
plan fún orílẹ̀-èdè
They
wọn
planned for this nation.
wọ́n plan fún ìlú abínibí
They
wọn
planned for their
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀dọ́
origin.
kí ni ìpinnu tó o ní fún orílẹ̀-èdè rẹ
As a youth, what is your plan for this nation, for
fún
your
ilé
nation,
bàbá rẹ
for your father's house?
ẹ ò rí wípé torí pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ò múra wọn lónìí
Can't you see, because the youth are not prepared to,
àwọn olówó orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ló ń lówó lọ
the rich people are the ones that are getting
mo
richer.
sọ fún àwọn èèyàn mi lánàá
I told my people
olóòmì ò
yesterday,
ní sọ fún ẹ o
said I won't tell you,
mo ní ọmọ Bọ́láńlé
a son that he makes wealth at home,
ó lọ fẹ́ ọmọ Alówólé
when go and marry someone that have money at home,
mo wá ṣe àpẹẹrẹ kan fún
and
wọn
I make an example for
ẹ
them.
jẹ́ ń lórí èrìò
Let me use Erio Mountain,
èrìò níbi mo wà yìí
where we are now.
now kéèyàn jáde ní primary school
Someone to
lérí
come out from primary school at Erio here
kó lọ secondary school lérí
and went to secondary school here in Erio.
káwá sọ pé polytechnic aládàáni kan ó wà ní Ìdó Ilé
Let us say we don't have a private polytechnic at Idoile.
ẹ ó wá lọ sí poli yẹn
He now went there, he now went to that polytechnic.
nígbà tó débẹ̀ tán
When he got there,
ó graduate ń bẹ
after graduating
wọ́n wá
from
sọ
there,
pé yóò service yóò lọ fún
they
service
said he will now go for a service.
ó wá lọ fún service ní Ìta Ọ̀rẹ́
He now went to a good cup service at Itaore,
tàbí ó lọ sí service ní Ẹ̀fọ̀n
or he went for a service at
kò ń ṣe
Efon.
secondary school Ẹ̀fọ̀n
He don't do secondary school at Efon.
kì í ṣe pé secondary school ló ti lọ
It's not
sáà
that he went to go and serve in secondary school
torí
at
mi ò
Efon,
kàn lè gbà á sírú bẹ̀
because I don't think they can employ him
kì í
there.
ṣe pé bí irú ilé iṣẹ́ ńlá kan lẹ́fọ̀n ló ti lọ
It's not
sí
like he went to a big
ó tún
company
lọ
at
sí
Efon.
primary school private primary school tó yẹ pé gbogbo ọmọ bẹ̀ ò lè ju 30 àbí
He went
40
to a private school that all the students there cannot be more than 40 or 50.
ẹ jọ sà
Please, sir,
irú ọjọ́ wo
How many-
ọmọ wa ṣe tán
after finishing his service,
ó wá tún wá padà rí school
he now saw a school.
ní orí iṣẹ́
He saw a
sí
job
another private school
at a private school
ní Aramọkọ
at Aramoko,
tí gbogbo òṣìṣẹ́ ibẹ̀
that all the staffs
school
there,
yẹn tí ò ju 40
that are not even all the students there, that are not more than 40.
ọjọ́ wo ló máa bá irú ọmọ bàbá Adébóyè pàdé
When will he meet someone like Baba Adeboye's son?
ọjọ́ wo ló
Children?
máa bá irú ọmọ Tinubu pàdé
When will he meet Tinubu's children?
ọjọ́ wo ló máa bá irú ọmọ Prophet Ezekiah
When
pàdé
will he meet someone like Prophet Kaya's children?
ọjọ́ wo ló máa bá irú ọmọ Dr. Olúkọ̀yà pàdé
When will he meet someone like Prophet
nítorí pé gbogbo ìdí ayé
children?
rẹ̀ àárín kan ṣoṣo láti
Because
gbé
his life is within a cycle.
kì í ṣe pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni
It's not that it's a sin.
rárá
No.
téèyàn bá múra nírú bíbẹ̀
But
yẹn
if you are more prepared within that
tó ní
cycle
ìran rere
and you have a good
o lè
vision,
bírèkì rẹ́kọ̀dù
you
sílẹ̀
can break record
fún
there
àwọn ọmọ tó ń bọ̀
for the
lọ́la
generation that was coming
ibi
tomorrow.
tó bá wà yẹn
Where you are,
wọ́n á mọ̀ kó wà níbi kan
then you know that you are there.
àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí bọ́n ṣe lókà nígbà ayé
These
wọn
people, when they are local in their time,
wọ́n kàwé yẹn
they were educated
wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe
and they have the knowledge of what they want to do.
ọ̀dọ́ lọ sí yunifásitì
So many youth have gone to the university
kò
today.
sí nǹkan kan tó ń bọ̀
They
bẹ́ẹ̀
do not come with anything.
èmi èyí wá ṣẹ́ kiri
Some
lónìí
people are looking for a job now.
àti òyìnbó rẹ̀ ṣòro
Their English is very poor.
mo wà níbì kan lónìí
I was somewhere
ọ̀dọ́ kan
yesterday.
sọ òyìnbó sí
The
báńkà
youth was speaking English to a
báńkà
banker.
yẹn ó wá ń sọ pé ṣé nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ lélẹ̀ ní àbí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ó ní àmín I'm sorry
The banker
wọ́n
was-
tún kọ̀rẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ ó tún ṣe bí ẹni tó ìmọ̀ nǹkan yẹn kò sì mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ
The banker was not telling me what exactly do you want to say. Is it this or this? He was not. They was not correcting me. He was even boasting that.
nítorí
No.
sàtífíkẹ́tì tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀dọ́ tó fẹ́ jẹ́ alágbára orílẹ̀-èdè tó mú dání kò lè dìfẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀.
Because so many youth, the certificate they are holding, the certificate they have, they cannot defend it as a youth.
gbogbo ibi tó ti gba resort yẹn miracle center ló lọ
All
sí
the certificate you have, you saw you have, you went to the miracle center.
nítorí wípé kò sí o lérò láti gé agbára fórílẹ̀-èdè
Because you don't have the plan and vision to become power for a nation.
o ò rò nínú ọkàn lọ́kàn láti jẹ́
You
agbára
don't think within yourself to become powerful a nation.
ẹ má gbàgbé o
Don't forget,
ọ̀dọ́
youth,
agbára orílẹ̀-èdè
power of a nation.
ọ̀dọ́
Youth,
agbára orílẹ̀-èdè
power of a nation.
a máa dúró níbí lálẹ́
This
yìí
is why we are still going to stop
nítorí
tonight
nẹ́tíwọ̀kì
because of network
àti nítorí àkókò wa
and because of our time.
a máa padà sórí ẹ̀ lọ́la
We will continue tomorrow
tàbí ní ọjọ́ mìíràn
or next time.
mo gbàgbọ́ pé a pàdé lọ́la
But I'm so much believe that we'll meet tomorrow.
a máa pàdé ní 8 o'clock
We'll meet by 8 o'clock
láàárọ̀ la
tomorrow morning, 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Nigeria time
8 a.m. Nigeria
ẹ
time.
má gbàgbé ohun tá à ń bá bọ̀
Don't forget what we are talking
ọ̀dọ́
about.
agbára
Youth,
orílẹ̀-èdè
power of nation.
ọ̀dọ́ agbára
Youth,
orílẹ̀-èdè
power of nation.
bí ẹ ti fẹ́ lọ sùn lálẹ́ yìí
As you are going to sleep
bí ẹ
tonight,
ti fẹ́ lọ fara lélẹ̀
as you are
lálẹ́
going to rest tonight,
mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ronú
I
dáadáa
want you to think very well.
odi ya nínú ilé wa
That wall has fallen in our family.
ó yẹ kẹ́nìkan dìde bí ọ̀dọ́ nílé
Someone
wa
supposed to rise up as a youth in our
ó yẹ
family.
kí ọkùnrin kan dìde
A man supposed to rise up.
ó yẹ kí olókìkí kan dìde ilé wa
A famous person supposed to rise up.
ẹ ronú yín wò dáadáa
Think deeply.
kẹ́ ẹ ronú yín wò dáadáa
Think within yourself.
share message yìí
Share this message.
prepare your mind to join me tomorrow
Pèsè
morning
ọkùnrin sí láti pàdé mi ní ọ̀la.
àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ agbára wà tá a fẹ́ tẹ̀síwájú
Powerful message that we are going to continue
a
on.
máa bára wa sọ
We will talk within
a
us.
máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìdíwọ́ tó
We
wà
will
bẹ́ẹ̀
discuss on hindrances in it.
bí o ti fẹ́ lọ sùn yẹn
As we are going to
sọ
sleep,
fún olúwa ṣí mi níyè
tell God, God enlighten me more.
olúwa ṣí mi níyè
God enlighten me the more.
olúwa ṣí mi níyè
God enlighten me the
mo
more.
mọ̀ pé ẹlòmíràn tó jẹ́ pé bí olúwa ṣe rán wa sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí láti bá yín
I know
sọ
some people that as God has sent us to discuss this message with
ṣe ló
you,
máa dàbí pé à ń criticize ẹ báyìí
it seems as we are criticizing you.
a ò criticize
We
ẹ
are
o
not criticizing
bí kò
you,
ṣe pé kẹ́mi àti ẹ̀ka jọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ń bẹ̀
but for us both to learn
ká dẹ̀ yí padà
and change.
bíbélì pé ẹ̀yin yóò mọ̀
The
òtítọ́
Bible says you shall know the truth,
òtítọ́ yóò sọ yín di
and the truth
òmìnira
that set you free.
òtítọ́ yẹn gan fẹ́ kó sọ yín di òmìnira
That is the truth. I want you to set free.
bá ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀
Talk to God.
olúwa ṣí mi níyè
God enlighten
mo
me.
fẹ́ fara lélẹ̀
I want to rest.